Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Everybody make the tambourine and praise the Almighty Father. All God-fearing people, let's go.
Get right!
Yeah.
Mixup and Blenda, Dancehall.
Hey, 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 yeah. Hey. Up there, up there, up there, up there, up there, up there. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the leaf of it and bad mind, it can't stop in a revival time. Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord.
Everybody!
I Mixup and Blenda time.
Hey, yo. Tam farmers. Big up on yourself, big up on yourself, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Welcome to the show. Pammy, what's up with you? All right, Ellie, I see you. Lady Andrea, large up. Man like Craigton in the place, you know, them for no don't. Big up all on own there, all Tam farmers and ting. The one on our Tam farmers, you know, do remember that, you know, all right? In I crew. You come here, so 6 o'clock at evening time, come juggle and have a little fun, a little unwinding, a little relaxing and thing. You're a Tam farmer. Dr. Mac, I see you. Leisha. I want to after your name, Leisha. September Virgo. I like it. Yeah. Big up all of the Virgo people, you know. Leo people, them a hype and thing on a free paper. Well on. Now to the Leo free paper bun. Eh? To the Leo free paper bun? Leisha, me are the 6th, you are the 4th. Today or tomorrow, I'm the Leo them free paper bun. Oh, Starboy say tomorrow. Wait, you sure it? The 22nd are still Leo? The 22nd are still a Monday or? So hold on, the other sign usually start on the 23rd, is that correct? The other sign start on the 23rd or the 22nd of each month. Which one? Is it 23rd or the 22nd? Yeah, today the last day I would Starboy I talk about. Starboy have it right. Wait, not least the 23rd it start. Oh. You see, people must say the 23rd. So wait, it says up to the 22nd on the month, right? Then from the 23rd of each month at the next sign. That's how it go? Okay. So tomorrow the last day of the crosses Leo them down. Tomorrow are the last day of the crosses Leo and then them free paper bun. All right? Leo season end on the 22nd tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow we're done with them. Right? And then the 23rd, the boom sign start. Yeah. On the 23rd, the boom sign roll out pan them and thing. Problem pan them, you understand? Virgo Nation. Lati girl said she got her tickets, so Ragabash, congratulations, boo. Big up yourself, Lati girl. I think, make sure say you give me a yell when you're forward, you know. All right? Make sure say you give me a yell. I can turn off this something, man. People always are asking for co-hosts. All right? Big up yourself, Lati girl. Antasha, I see you in a large up, you know, everything is everything, yeah? Bless up yourself. My CBS, Daniel, and the whole work scene. Romian, yeah, tell them Romian, Ragabash to the world. Yeah, less than a month to go, all right? And the excitement start to build, you understand? It's all about a Ragabash promotion from here on henceforth, you know? And listen, people, like, you know, people, you know, some people start buy tickets and some must just give her the ticket them because them can't come and whatever. And just today, somebody bought a ticket and said, give it to somebody who either works in healthcare or is affiliated with autism or work in a nursing home. That's what the person says. So anybody along them lines there, if me have a paper you have to write down your particulars, just send me a text and thing or whatever, right? If you want that ticket there, again, somebody, just give you an example, somebody bought a ticket and say give it to somebody who either work in healthcare, affiliated with autism or, or work in a nursing home, something like that, all right? So, and again, me just ask other people who can't come Ragabash, to just buy tickets, and then I'll give them away. Victoria said, I remember when you were on the radio, me and my supervisor fight for the radio station. All right, big up yourself, Sexy Gigi says she's feeling festive this evening. There could be trouble. Yeah. There could be trouble, right? In Sexy Gigi, when you feel festive, a problem don't. Anything goes, right? Am I correct? Well, people, a Baileys are do it, big cup of Baileys. We know in them look small something when them go, go and then take on a $20 and a $30 whatever. If you look a small thing, a Baileys, see it, yeah? Go buy the big buckle and we'll full up a cup. I'm going to want to say nothing about the whole heap of ice in it, right? Me like when I drink them something. Me not really into drinking, as someone is supposed to know by So me like when it icy and chill and yeah. Because for me it's more like a refresher than it is drinking alcohol. For me it's like a refresher. I'm kicking back, me, I'm a little familiar with me, and we are all our meds and we are chat and all kind of sitting and think. People, before we go to some call and thing and whatever, just line up on the car. Remember, we're depend. Well, today's the last day of it because we're not having a full sub live tomorrow. And because of that, we're having a sub live after today's show. We're having a subscribers only live after today's show, right? So we're going to just segue over into that. So if you're not yet a subscriber and you want to hear the niceness in the subscriber live, make sure you subscribe. Just want to remind you though that TikTok is having some problem when you can get your own subscription. So if you have a sub yourself, no problem. But I think TikTok is still having problems with when somebody want to gift a subscription to somebody else. And my suspicion, I think is because they're transitioning over, they're upgrading the subscription framework and things. So there's some challenges there. Can somebody check to see if you can? Well, I don't know if they would have fixed it. If they would have fixed it from yesterday. But can somebody check to see if you can give somebody a subscription? Them probably not fix it since yesterday, but I just wanted to check to see if you can. Oh, Peaches and Cream says she just checked and it's still not working. Christina says it's not working. Okay. But you can give yourself your own subscription. So you can subscribe. Subscribe for yourself, all right? Great man, one man, big up yourself, Right? So all who no subscribe for yourself, yet subscribe for yourself and thing. Because later on, I'm going to go on with something of them done. Yeah. All right? If this is annoying you, just bear with it a little bit. Y'all are Jamaican and Caribbean people in this. So you know our little issue with shaking up the ice. Yeah. It's a cultural thing, yeah? Or something. I just read something in the chat. I'm going to leave it alone because sometimes when you can't sassy in the chat, you see, man. Well, Elsa, is that strong back? No. Are you asking me if I have a strong back? No, I know you're not. For my silent listeners who are not Jamaican, but you always are listen. Strong back is a drink from Jamaica, and it's one of those mix-up drinks that Jamaicans believe make your back stronger. But in Jamaica, when we say strong back, we're not literally referring to, the back literally being stronger. Strong back is more associated with sexual stamina. So when they hear Jamaicans that talk about strong back, they could be referring to your back being strong. People have back problems. But it is also a common thing in Jamaican culture and vernacular to refer to your sexual competence, as, whether or not you have a strong back or not, So, that's a strong back, man, can put it on your good and all these things and whatever. Chumpy, big up yourself, general, all right? Michelle says, Michelle, are you drinking soursop today? A soursop you drink today, Michelle. All right, people, remember just run through and look at thing quick and whatever, Just a little reminder, every now and then, me just throw in them look at something and thing and whatever, and, before we do that, location roll call. I could do this quick. Where are you watching from? Where are you listening from? Just post the location where you're watching from or where you're listening from. Colorado Springs. Just post where you're watching from, where you're listening from. Bronx, Birmingham, UK, Canada. We're in Canada. Bristol, Virginia, Brooklyn, New Jersey, New York, Houston, Princeton, Tennessee, Tampa. I'm trying to go. Roanoke. Oh, I don't know how you pronounce that. I know that is in Long Island. Barbados, Brooklyn, Maryland, Minnesota, Moscow, Pennsylvania, Cayman Islands, New York, Toronto, Canada, Brighton Beach in Florida, Massachusetts, Connecticut, South Beach, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Southfield, Michigan, New Rochelle in New York right here, Miramar, Florida, Maryland, Katy in Texas, we're in Jamaica, Brooklyn, Denver, Colorado, Hercules, California, Brooklyn, Bristol, England, St. Louis, Myrtle Beach in South Carolina, Brooklyn again, Lawrenceville, Georgia, Miami, Florida, Rosedale in London. That sound funny, but we know what that means. Ocho Jamaica, Queen, North Carolina, Portsmouth, Jamaica, Kingston, Marvale, yeah, right next to where we used to live over Jewsland. St. Louis, Sunrise, Spanish Town, Clarendon, Jamaica. Somebody's being funny with Timbuktu. San Diego, Connecticut, St. Anne, St. Mary, Auburn in California. Chisholm Avenue, Jamaica, yes, St. Thomas, London, Brampton, Ontario, Victoria, New Jersey, Texas, Clarendon, Slush says she catch all about and thing and whatever. Stratford, big up on yourself, okay. As usual, the presence is global, people all over and thing. I saw TamFam, Phoenix, Arizona, Messia, Mandeville, Manchester, Florida, Mount Vernon, Pearline. If you come Ragabash, you can get your tickets at Just Jerk Restaurant in Mount Vernon. Again, Just Jerk Restaurant in Mount Vernon. They have tickets for Ragabash. So if you come in, you can get your tickets up there. Cheryl, people, you don't know what I say. This morning, guess who me see go live? Squeaky. Yes, man, me go over upon Squeaky live this morning. Only for see Squeaky over there make breakfast for none other than Cheryl Bless. Yes! Squeaky, I make breakfast with Cheryl Bless live. I went over there. I'm a seat for myself. Squeaky, I make breakfast with Cheryl Bless. I saw it. I know what I saw. Right? And you want to see him, I put it to and go on with himself and be a something. Cheryl, Oh, you just quietly over here and never make you know about the link. Oh, you never make you know say a squeaky a feed you. Christina Brown Sugar said, I got breakfast too, Raga. Well, it's squeaky, you know. Squeaky. Squeaky not gonna cook for one woman. Squeaky gonna cook for the ladies. I want them know about Squeaky. Tell them say you're the lady chef. All right? Tell them you're the lady chef, Squeaky. And you cook for the ladies, them. And you feed them, dog. Nothing. Anyway, Squeaky, big up yourself, Mr. You do your thing, man. Proper respect, man. One bag of chat, Squeaky. I say, oh, I'm a big chef from long time, you know. But, you know, Squeaky strike me as one of them person that Squeaky come over one of them person who's going to be good at everything. Chef, engineering. I wouldn't be surprised if Squeaky's also a surgeon, a bus driver, a pilot, an accountant, an anthropologist, a mechanic. Yeah, Squeaky strike me as one of them person who are going to be good at everything, you know? Yeah. Squeaky, big up yourself. People, I'm going to just remind you, so people talk to me all the while and I wear different hats and people talk to me all the while and when the spirit give me for just come and just go on some reminder, just come true. So this is a Raga reminder, right? Raga chat, a Raga reminder. People, I'm not telling you, if we not have a scenario or a situation that runs contrary to what I am about to say, if it runs contrary in a successful way to what I'm about to say, that's fine. That's fine, right? But me still I gotta say what I gotta say. People, this if you have somebody there and them left you, and you never want them left you, and you did beg them not to left you or appeal to them not to left you, and them left you, and them never come there with you, when you indicate to them or you ask them or you tell them, say, you don't want to start it back and them never come there with you. And just when you move on and there with somebody, at that time them come back and want there with you, don't go there with that person. Now, let me be clear. Me nah say, if you and somebody broke up and you can't get back together, people do that. And the relationship, you have a lot of relationship work. Let me be clear. I'm being very specific. If you did in one relationship and you wanted the relationship for work and the person insisted them have to left you, and you did want to work on it, and I care all the overtures where you make and all the appeal and all the willingness and all the fight where you did want to fight for the relationship, the person left you. And if after the person left you, different things happen to you, whatever, and the person never ever want to come back to you. When you did alone, the person never want to come back to you. Probably you do this and that, them never want to come back. But the one time them want to come back, the one time them tell you say them want to come back, is when you're there with somebody else and you're happy. Don't you ever go there back with that person. You don't have to hate them, Just don't go back there with that person. Because in those instances, there are many reasons why they could want to come back. There are many possible reasons. But the two most common reasons are as follows. The two most common reasons when somebody left you, them no want you. And after them left you, them still no want you. But just when you there with somebody and happy, them come back and want to confuse you. Them come back and them sound convincing. Them come back and them a focus on the positives them what una did have before, where them should have did a focus on when you did a say to them for stay together, but them never did a focus on it then. But them come back and a confuse you and a boggle up your mind and a down the back with that person because these are the two reasons why that person is coming back. The first one, these are the two most common reasons in my opinion. The first one is You have to understand the distinction between somebody who don't love you but always want you to love them. You have people out there, them don't love somebody, you know, but them always want that person to love them. And the reason why them want that person to love them very often is you have various forms of dysfunctionalities and things like that and whatever. And it's related to selfishness and narcissism and stuff like that and things like that. But there are people who feed off that, and very often them themselves don't even know, so I saw them still like them have some disorder right there. Because there are people out there who can tell going to regale with multiple stories of somebody who left them. And then when they're in a relationship, them draw back for them. And then the people them go left the relationship with them in have to go back to the person who draw back for them, and after then go back to the person who draw back, the person left them again. Or if them not left them again, them they disrespect them and I try to keep them in a spot where you're not supposed to go nowhere and whatever this and that, but you must stay right there for them and be there for them no matter what. Remember, the first one, there are people who, who don't love you, but they're fixated on wanting you to always love them. Them no want you, but them want the satisfaction for so you always want them. And they get a morbid benefit from that. Some of them just can't deal with it, And the second reason is actually related to the first reason. So the first reason is somebody will left you because they don't love you. They really don't love you. But will come cloud up your mind when you get somebody else and you're happy and move on. And we are telling the right things them for mess up your brain and thing because they want you to always be loving them. And the second reason for it's kind of they kind of cross-fertilize each other. You have people out there who are sick and them don't know so them sick. And one of the sickness from this, believe it or not, you have people out there who when them left you, they want you destroyed. And the ones who are dangerous with that are the ones who are passive-aggressive. Passive-aggressive mean they're aggressive, but they're aggressive in a kind of low-key, passive way that can be confusing because they can come over like they're caring and whatever. But really what they really want your destruction, They really don't want you to be happy. And that can get confusing for some people, particularly when they had good times with that person before. And they think that they can return back to those good times when this person, but you may be interacting with somebody who really wants your demise. They want your destruction. If you suffer, if you're miserable, if you're depressed, if you're unhappy, if you know what, they want that because it will justify them, whatever it is else them did want out a road and whatever, and them did just want some excuse to leave if we go pursue something better or whatever greed or whatever use or whatever this and that, them have that something there, It's like them can't stand to see you happy. So they're interrelated, you know, and sometimes both of the reasons can exist at the same time, but they're actually two different things. Right? You have people who left people, and them just have this thing with the person who them left must still love them. And them will go out of them way if you keep the person, if you still love them, even though they don't love the person. And they have another set of people, them left people, and this is one is sicker. Them left you, but them actually want your destruction. The first one don't necessarily want your destruction, you know. The first one don't necessarily want you to suffer, you know. Them just want to know say you still love them no matter what. Even though them not love you, them want to do as them like, but them want to know say you still love them. So them not necessarily want your destruction. But you have a next set man. Them want you suffer. And again, you know, and this is the reason why I'm bring it up, because, you know, I'm talking to some people and I see them in that position and thing, and them don't understand it. The ones who are like that, very often, them don't come over and say them want you for suffer, you know. Them just low-key, somebody just subscribe. Them just low-key, I do these things and whatever, where in a kind of deceitful, ambiguous way. Sometimes it's not as obvious and things like that. And they're doing it in ways, you know, but the objective is them feel good when you suffer. Right? There are people who, you have exes who, them left you, you know. Now you did do the world for them left you, but them turn on now and want you for suffer. To justify some kind of sickness in their mind and whatever, to make them feel good. You have people who left people, but them not want nothing go on for the person who them left, you know? Because, you know, things are going for the person who them left. It's almost like it's gonna make them look away, you know? And people are gonna say this and that or whatever, but you know a sickness them have, you know, them no want you do well at all. So be careful. Again, that's one time I did say this and people confuse me. I say, oh, when you broke up with somebody, no, go back. That's not what I'm saying. That is not what I'm saying. I'm saying, if you're in a relationship and the person left you for whatever reason, somebody else said them, so, you know, whatever reason, and think this is not going anywhere and I don't feel this, whatever them bring them. But from a them left you, and when them did I left you and thing, you did appeal for say, yo, don't done this, make we do this together. Come on, man, make we fight for this, make we so and so and so and so and so. And them insist. And they left. And after them left you and thing, you live your life, them pay attention, them know what go on with you, them still no want to come back. You get one new job, them still no want to come back. You do this, you do that, them still no want to come back. Blah, blah, blah. But as soon as you're in a relationship and you're happy, at that time, them want to come back. My advice is not there with them people. Don't go back there with them people. You know, if you hate them or not, you know, but don't go back there with them people. Because them people, they want to come back for the wrong reason. And when them want to come back, them not tell you, say, oh, I become see you happy in our relationship, make me want to back with you now. Them not going to say that. Them always come with one different angle. Them always come, you know, like one look a side angle upon you and whatever and this and that. But I see them say you're happy with somebody else. And them just come back to make your life miserable again. Now do it. Don't go back there with anybody who left you. And then want you back when them see. Only want you back when them see say you're happy with somebody else.
Yes, so you know what you was saying?
Yeah.
Bring me right back.
Talk to me.
Remember one time when me never have my greens in America? You know what I mean? Then time I did rough, you know?
Yeah,
and so this guy me didn't know me know him from back home and everything, you know, him know my situation and everything. And so him I say we can try and think them live far at the time I live in New York and him live upstate and he live far, you know. Me have one child with me at the time. At my son did about 3 or so. And he encouraged me, you know, say, yeah man, come look on the place if you like it, man. And if anything we can work it out and everything. Me now take the bus because I have one bus where pick me up from my yard and drop me off a film door, you know. We really hit it off good enough, because me never know, say, we could have really hit it off so good and everything, you know.
Yeah.
And me I tell say, you see, all the time them, never really did get no sort out in a long time, you know. You know? So you see, when me reach now and we get in it and me get me sort out, I want to tell you, say, one of the best sort out ever.
The Oh, him know what him a do. Him know what him a do. Okay.
Yeah, cool. Me plan for risk it because me say me need my stuff and everything, and him know say me need my stuff and everything, you know. And so and we me cook, me clean up, wife attitude, everything I go on, you know. And all one night time, him all show me some stocks and things when buy, because he will buy car and fix them up and resell them, you know. And me I plan everything and I say, yeah, because through me I have so much skills. Can you know, say as a yardie, wall of skillful in our own little weird stuff. Yeah. And when woman want man, then we make life and make things work, you know.
Indeed.
Yeah. Never did even too like the place neither, I know. But let me tell you something. Me sort out me I get, and me I sort out green. And me and my body I sort out, and it look like in love my son, and it look like everything can go on. So me still keep my place, you understand? So me go look for him and then me go on back and me go back and me work and everything. But me start to notice that every Friday him missing. And me say it hurt me, no call me all start I get attached to him, you know. Yeah. Cause him can't do it good, me not lie. You understand me? Yeah,
no. What was it about him to make it good? What was it, a particular thing him do good?
It big. That's a number one, and he can angle himself.
Like, but what size? Like, what size? But,
good size, man. Probably like 8 are going past that.
Okay, 8 run there in a region.
Work with a good thing. And you know, because some people have big things don't really know for manage.
Ladies tell me that,
him have it in the waist and him have it in the length.
Oh.
And him have the business head. You understand? The two we are yardie. What can go wrong?
Sure.
So, anyways, me daddy and me I say, yes, come like I hit this now, you know. Me not look no further.
Jackpot.
And thing. True, him all have kids too, you know. Come here say, you know what, and even if we come together, cause hey, me I tell you, know, scenario gone off in a me, you know, me all a plan say, you know what, him have kids too, you know, me not gonna be mean to film kids. If he wanting kids them to come at me I gonna be like a mother to them and be nice.
Right.
Me start to realize that when it come to Friday, Saturday, be a missing. And I be a joke around. Like him, Friday, me not hear from him. Saturday, me not hear from him. Sunday morning, I him that I call now. And I say, and I make jokes, say, oh, you know, some like a full joke. You understand? So, one Saturday, when he missing now, Sunday morning, he call, you know, he tell lie about how he did get locked up. And if I something, if me can't come look for him. So, anyways, me find out say I lie, I tell her everything. But you know something? Going on along, true, me did make up my mind, say me now go back, go look for him or anything. And if he try, come look for me just go give him, you know, give him a card and everything. Me start try to find somebody else. And me meet somebody else. And I did not tell him. And
no, so on the break up officially?
We never break up. We never totally break up, but him never totally did into me neither.
Okay, all right then, cool.
And it burned me. So me say me not drink my porridge hot. And me meet somebody else.
Yeah.
And it end up that the person sort me out, move me, take over my son, start treat my son like a theme. Me have other kids in my Jamaica. He send money, go give me picnic them. He meet up all my family them and he pass something. Yeah. I just say when me married, me put the wedding pan, me go live on Facebook when the wedding done. And when me go live, cause me and him did a still friend on Facebook, you know. So me go live and he see me, man.
And then go
He
see
say
the
my
wedding
phone just
door.
a blow off.
Ah!
What? Me say, I mean just sorry, me not ram for no answer him. But anyways, me don't want to take too long. Me want to tell her the party now.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, me did have problem with my marriage and stuff like that, you know.
Right.
And so, but here comes him now. Every time when him will call me, me no bother meet up with him, friend. Last time and in 2 times, me no bother go look for him.
Okay.
But when him do now, him call me and he call me on video and I show me himself. You understand? Like he want to remind me. You understand?
Now, when
And
my
I say, yes,
now,
that is
him did that just regular video, or him did that show?
regular lie down.
I'm a show you the size of the thing.
Show me, yeah, kind of want to remind me about the good time we have.
Well, him call up on video and I show you him body, and yeah.
Yes, I don't remember this.
Him they make it obvious, or him did I go on like a little indirect thing, like a call you and Nick when him do him make it obvious and thing I show you and I say,
him just call me on video, and when
Yeah.
him call me, him just have himself open wide, so I show him.
So him just a trigger some good body memories, don't?
Yeah, but let me tell you something as
Yeah.
a woman, security is more important to me.
Yes.
And my man
yes.
never really have the size that he have. And he never really could have worked me like him. But me remember, say, guess what? When me didn't need my things done and my greens and everything, I all did look out for me. And I said to myself, say, it no matter how big female is, it no matter how good he can do it, him not even get a taste.
Well, and all men listen what she just say. You hear what the woman said? The woman said security was important for her. And what we're hearing here is that she did her assessment, and the man who did give her the security, him body never as big, and he couldn't use it as well and whatever and thing like that. But in her assessment, she going to stick with the secure man. She not get distracted by the good dick where she know out there where she used to get before. Men, this is fundamental, you know, and I need to understand that, you know, when it come to woman. A sensible woman, don't get me wrong, you have woman out there who get dickmatized. Anthony that and going with all kind of thing. But all sensible woman, them always put security over good sex. If they can come together, fine. But in comparatively, if the good sex alone come with all these other problems and them something there, when I equate with the security, particularly when it's a whole of woman have picked their responsibility and them something because she's not young and a wild out anymore and want cute guys and nice dick and whatever, woman are gonna put security. Woman will always put a reliable man who is always there, present, always there, and do him supposed to do as a man, and I hold up a thing properly. They will always put that man over the man with a good dick. Go and tackle it.
Yeah. And he cute too, you know. Let me tell you, in cute, in smell good, me I tell you.
Sure.
I remember, you know, I'm good in smell and everything, you know, but me say to myself, say, oh, me no care how good him smell, me no response. When me think about the new man treat me kids them, treat my family and everything, and you know him you see all when time when me I move and I me move me something them, you know, him rent a U-Haul and go to my apartment and move everything by himself.
The man who the
new man.
The new man. Okay,
Yeah.
good man.
You know the snow, you know?
Oh,
Hey, me feel like say my front of powers. Me I tell her come here and say, then me just fling it up and the man just overtaken with love and everything. So
when him do them something there and whatever, what you mean? Why you think of your front? You don't think there was some other things about you?
The front in it to man.
Yeah,
Come here
yeah.
and tell you. Cause him express how him love it and everything.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
and
some men like that is a significant contributing factor to a man, really appreciating a woman and she fling it up around.
Yeah, and we just work it out and everything. I mean, just stay with him and just say to myself, through thick and thin, me I go stay with him in a business with the next guy. So it's true. You think a little bit of time, he call me, and he might go come look for me, and if him might go pay a babysitter, And I said to myself, him could have did sort me out. Okay? The greens
Right.
me attack.
Yeah,
Him
yeah. I
could have
never
sort
do
out
it.
the greens. Yeah. And him never do it. So why me I gonna be ungrateful to the
Did
one
he
who
what all right, and here's the important thing now. When him they come back and a draw back for you, did he because I can't tell you, you know, him never at any point say, oh, the reason why me I draw back for you because I see you happily married with somebody and you glow. Him not say nothing like that. When him did
no.
a draw back for you, I am sure he might tell you about some things where when things were good between you and him keep on I say them something. Am I wrong or am I right?
Of course, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
You tell me when things are good and we cook together, come here tell us we're cooking and them something there, and him now let have something for selling and me I say, cause me good pan selling things.
Yeah.
Me I tell you.
Yeah.
And me take somebody something them and sell out enough for them, and promote him stuff, cause me can make flyer and all kind of something, and and him remind me say, yeah, so we did really good together and we can good together. Me say me tell something bit. All if me and the new man mash up, I'm not going back to him. He don't deserve it.
But the key thing is, and the point I'm making here, based on, I was counseling some people on this. Him never did a drawback for you after you left, Him never did a drawback for you. Him start drawback for you when him see you there with somebody else and things are going for you.
Animal point out the faults them with the next person have. You understand me? Because you see the picture them and everything and I say, me no say him not good like cause he's really blessed in the area there. You understand me? So I say, me no say him not good like me, man. And stuff like that.
Well, so him literally I say, no say, if him body not good like my body and him no know for do it. He must say them something they don't.
Try to get me for talk about our problems and faults. So I can get to use it back on him. But me not talk about nothing where we are go through, like no hardship. Me just make everything look like peach. You understand? And polish.
Yeah.
Because when you have something that go on, you can run go, I tell people about, oh yeah, this a go on and that a go on and whatever, You understand me? Because enough jealous people out there. You understand me?
That's true.
You have to hold your one, but yeah, man, big up yourself, Raga. So I chew your talk.
Yes, man. Blessings, man. Thank you for that reinforcement. The other point where I make, and think that this is obviously a real world example and thing where you go through, when him say you're married, him see on Facebook say, yo, you step up, they are sorry for yourself and a ball and a pine. You see, if you did a pine over him and still ask him for come back with you and whatever, he wouldn't come back come there with you, He wouldn't want there with you. He wouldn't have said nothing or whatever. He wouldn't want to do that.
No.
He was triggered when him say you're happy with somebody else.
About, him would have did give me the greens.
If him did that do it, him would have do it. Yeah.
He never did do nothing.
Yeah, if him did want to do it, him would have do it long time and thing like that and come and say this and that to you, After him say, you think step up and thing and whatever him want, come dry your back out and come mash up your thing now and whatever. But you see how some people can in that position, they remember all a good dick, they remember when they used to cook together and when they used to laugh together and go get confused and I'll go back this and go mash up them thing with them have. You understand? And lose focus.
So you have to put priority first.
Yeah. All right, man. Thank you for sharing that one day, yeah?
Yeah, man. Big up yourself.
Love and blessings,
Take me
man.
off, come in and see where it come off.
Don't worry, man. I got you, boo. I got you. All right, cool. Yes, I'm glad she call in and go into that example of the thing and whatever. 1,500 I don't know over here. All who are watch, if you're not following me yet, follow me now. If you're not following Ragashanti yet, follow me now. Follow me right now if you're not following me yet. People do remember that later on we're having a subline, right? So we're having the regular show open to everybody. But then at the end, we're going segue and go over into a subscribers only live. And again, just want to remind you, for those of you who are new, in the subscribers only live, it's an outer order subscribers live. It's an outer order subscribers live. So people talk up your things in there. And I don't allow the P word and the whatever to be liberally used in this regular show. But in a day, subscribers, like people say the F word, the P word, all kind of thing, them speak freely. I play premium content from out other shows back that's highly entertaining and so forth. So I just want to remind you. So if you're not a subscriber, you can subscribe right now in preparation for the sub live later on. Okay? And unfortunately, TikTok, their provision that allow people to give other people subscription, that appears to not be working real well right now. So until TikTok sort out that, we just ask people right now to just kind of hold up on subscribing somebody else and just make sure you subscribe yourself at a minimum, at least, okay? So subscribe yourself. That you can do. And of course, the subscribers button is at the bottom, in the presence of the star with the circle around it. The star with the circle around it. You can just press that and you can subscribe yourself in order to, partake, listen to, view the sub live, that we're going to do at the end of the show. All right, this person. Now, come on, bringing somebody else. Here we go. Go and sit my BLS, you see me? Hello? 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 I remember what topic, what topic is burning mix-up, any mix-up involving burning, burn a man or burn a woman, right? Any mix-up involving burn a woman, whether it involves you or somebody else or any other mix-up one have, right? Burning mix-up or any other mix-up one have, send up on a request in the box. I'm going to go and take your call them and keep your thing jigging in the Thursday evening and thing. It's Bailey's Thursday. Greetings, hello. 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 All right, people here now. Me go clean the box now. Anybody else come up after this? It must be just some people who want to give a mix-up, all right? Right? Anybody who come up after this, it must just be people who want to give a mix-up on the show, right? Burning mix-up or any other mix-up want to have. Burning mix-up or any other mix-up want to have and thing, right? So anybody who come up now, it must be that you're going to give a mix-up and thing. Burning mix-up or any other mix-up want to have, all right? Later on, before we go over another sub live, somebody asks about preview. I just did that, like, giving a little piece of like, what we do in the sub and thing, but I don't do that early. I do that just before I go over into the subscribers live, only into the sub live, okay? Right? So that is not something I would do now, do it later on, sometime around, I don't know, 8:39. Raga, you ever think of doing a dating show? Yes. And the main reason why I think of doing a dating show is because quite a few people been suggesting it. Quite a few people be suggesting a dating show, So I'm going to do that, All right. So no worry, me figure it out to do it and thing. I probably can't tell me how to do it, right? Well, look at dating show, make some people avail themselves to a partner, and we bring up people, and the people them just tell we. People can, share what is it about them that is appealing, that they think, represent a plus or a positive that they bring to the table, to a relationship, potentially, and thing, and avail themselves to their partners. One of the things one thing I noticed that several people say is this whole thing of a second date. I don't know why that is a thing, but several people say, Raga, you can't do one show where you send back people on a date. It's like if I don't know if the date never worked, like you send them back on the date. Apparently, there's some kind of thing out there with that, you know. You know, I'm not sure what that is about, but it's a thing that people apparently like, you know. Jasmine says she's interested in being on the dating show. That would be interesting, yeah. Okay. We'll see about that. But for the time being right now, we want to say, anybody have any mix up on the send on a mix up them right now. Send on. Still JWTH. Let me see if Still J. Wait now. Still JWTH. What are you posting at the chat? Still JWTH. What are you posting at the chat? Yo, bro, you ready for my wood? I'm going to assume that was a mistake. Yeah, I'm about to block you. So if some sort of typo occur or whatever, talk up right now. It's a fake account. Okay, me go block him. And people, when you not tell, oh, it's a fake page. Remember now, when you not tell me say something is a fake page, make sure so on a check. Usually when you see a fake page, them not no followers and thing like that or whatever. All right, so don't just tell me it's a fake page because you think it's a fake page because you may have my block people who made a simple error, you know? All right, then, cool. And yeah, and just so you know, again, people may tell you say, yeah, anytime you see only 3 followers and them something there, usually is a fake page, you know? And yeah, I will go have more of those, and I'm going to just depend on you to just check real quickly and think. But I've seen where people will see something and they assume it's a fake page and it wasn't a fake page, you know? Right? How can you tell when it's a fake page? The first sign is them not have no followers, you know? Or them not post anything. Right? So to the question to Diamond, like, you know, Diamond, you know, one butter, whatever. When you see them have little or no followers, or them not make no posts, you know, say it's a fake page. All right. Well, OST 8902, you say you only have a few followers and no posts. Yeah, but you're not posting, you know, disgusting, perverted porn stuff, and you're not attacking people, you know, you're not making racist attacks on people and so forth and things like that, you know, so they have to come together. So when somebody come over here or on anybody's live and they do something just like blatantly, categorically outrageous and discriminatory and disgusting and whatever, when you look on it and then you see on top of that, them no make no post or them no have no followers, 9 times out of 10, it's what is referred to as a bot, which is essentially a computer program that is made all over the internet. They make them to cause all kind of mischief and problems, and they try to sabotage people things, you know, by exploiting the algorithms in ways to undermine people's pages and so forth, to get them shut down or to just, you know, there's a term that's used that's called rage bait. So them bait you to exert your rage, to get upset or mad, and then you start saying and post all kind of things. So what the algorithm, look now, the algorithm are gonna say you are tell the person, go ask your mama, you know, such and such people are so, or uno so and so, or whatever. So then what happened now is that you're a legitimate person engaging in language that violates the community standards, the very strict community standards of the platform, TikTok, and that is how them get your page to be shut down. It's just a big like conspiratorial thing out there with them, you know. It's crazy. All right, so mix-up time. I think you should do a 1 and 2 show representing first and second date as life mates. Okay, we see about that. A 1 and 2 show. Yeah, a 1 and 2 show. All right, mix-up time. I'm so used to a rhythm now. I'm gonna go to this kind of lull. And then, I don't know why, it just happens that way with it. And then a mix-up will come in, and then that mix-up triggers other mix-up. I'm just a watch and thing, and then the show, and then before you know it, the box full up, and you don't even have enough time for everybody. So I just work with on a rhythm. But again, I'm telling them I don't force it. I don't force it. All right? So I'm sending in on a mix-up them. Sending in a mix-up them because, and then the mix-up then I come, I gotta switch over to the sub live. I have no problem doing it early. Geez, and nobody want to be first. You know, so it's not really first. It's almost like a process. You know what I'm saying? Trust the process. It's like people, you know, from doing this for a while, it's like people get the vibe and the motivation for share something. When somebody shares something and it triggers something and they remember something, them get the vibe for do that. At the same time, you do have people over here who, you know, them a support my show. So if them says like something I go and them just call in and give a vibe. And I know when people do that. And I respect that and I'm thankful for that. Right? Certified Crash Out had done that. Trumpy had done that. There are people who say, you know, nobody now can contribute something to the show and thing. And you have to give thanks to them people, you know. And me know when them do it. Me not say nothing, but me know when them do it. I'm going to say give thanks to that. But outside of that, though, you have people, you know, them, it's like, them ideas come for them share something or remember something. When them a watch and a vibe catch them and thing, that's why I always tell you, say like, you know, like for example, when me at the radio at Jamaica, the first call them always important because them set the tone. And you as the host, you have no control over that, you know. Really, you know, with the first call. And people come in, them just come in, you know. Daily Dolly, big up yourself, you know. Well, people don't know, say, yo, the campaigning, heavy in Jamaica, heavy right now as usual and thing, and it's bitter and it's got no ugly, but even though, you know, they call it the silly season, so even though people, the ugliness are going and, you know, some really harsh, cruel, nasty things are being said on each side, I'm just really thankful that Jamaica has come a long way, though, you know, where we still have so much to be proud of, you know, during, you know, our elections, you know, because for those of us who knew what it was like in the late 70s and the 80 election, the famous 80 election, the infamous 80 election, and we know where it's coming from, you know, and right now, every election we keep, at some point, you see the green and the orange, them a dance together and a partner and a joke around together. I love that, you know. Every election, you see video now with PNP and JLP, the comrade them and the labor right, them a dance and a joke and a chew a word per one. And I saw the thing for set. I saw the thing for set. But for those of you who are on the younger side and you don't know, it wasn't like that. It wasn't like that. In fact, there was a time if anybody from one side was seen frolicking with the other side, you will get gunshot. Sounds extreme, huh? That's what it was. That's what it was. You know? That's where we're coming from, you know? When I was a little child coming up, man, I run up on me with gun, colors. And them say you have to choose. And if you say, no, you're not choose nothing, then I'll do your things and whatever. You know, those days were awful, you know? You know, you'd have to say, yeah. It was orange and green, as you know, but for whatever reason, red was also associated with the PNP. So you couldn't wear red or orange in a labor right here and then beat you. And vice versa. It was awful back then. You know, you couldn't even have on any little color the other side and thing. Gunman come box you down, people kick you down and all of them something. It was terrible. Judy in Poochie Johnson. Raga, no from when me I beg you a 360. What is a 360? What is that? Am I missing something here? What is a 360? I think this thing might be frozen over there. People, what is a 360?
Me not drink boom. Me not drink boom.
Hello?
One time I ever taste it, me not like it. Where follow back away for?
I go.
Me can go in the car.
This car, that's a car.
No, preacher car.
I see them go.
Father God.
I'm not dropping on no road. I lick that sponge in it.
Yeah, that reach up already though. Every day I see on the ground coat. Me no mind the ground boy sit down.
But you might sit down fancy.
I ground me sit down in front seat of the VIPs. One seat where in there.
One number seat.
2 seats for man in VIP. Like in the charge there's no seat no in there so. But we still let up him.
You must be going.
They are where?
They need not come on Sunday.
Where?
The whole of down time come Sunday. End up all that team. Did you know you have news last night?
Yeah. Alright, now in the up in a St. James.
Roxy, what happened? Roxy.
Yeah, half on the whole of them the place come back down.
Roxy. Roxy, boo.
Raga!
Wagwan, boo.
How me reach up here so?
Nah, but God did war we hear where you talk about the man and which seat him for going in and car and all them something. What you mean, Anna, you? Yes, man, God did war with a year Wagwan, but you tell him, man, well, yes, man, we there cock we ears and I listen to the whole conversation between you and Mr. Monday and thing and whatever. Yes, man. Yeah. But why not? What?
Suppose me tell you say in my pocket the phone there.
I know your pocket.
Put the phone in my pocket and I list to you.
But we are here every striking thing. But then I got send up a request and say, Raga, you need to hear where Roxy they answer to the man, yeah, you know, whatever. You understand? So me tell her, I say, don't play with
this man care.
we here, man. We there, you listen.
Every evening.
We there, you listen when I tell you where you... No, me here, man.
The car and the 2 front seat.
Which one are the VIP seat? Because we are not talk about the VIP seat.
Now the other seat side of the man.
Yeah, and when I tell me, I hear him like him, I tell you where you for sit down on it. Roxy? So how him I tell you about you for sit down on it? Look like Roxy mute herself.
Myself, Raga, from your picking belly for you, you know.
All right, man, I say a word blessings here.
Big up yourself, man.
Yeah, man.
Mix up, big up yourself.
It's all good, all right? Blessings, man, cool. Yeah. All right. Yeah, man, I tell you, you see how them little thing now I go on. You see like how bingo one night, yeah, watch and see when I go on, man. Everything is everything, man. All right, send up on the mix up them. Hello? Hello? Send up on the request them in the box. And then people, you know, that's some of the, it on the real though, you know, so we joke about it and thing, but, come on, this thing need to come. People would joke about it and thing, but I honestly, I'm suggesting to you, like, we have seen it happen so many times that be careful here with a TikTok something there and thing, and you know, it has sent thing and people are bringing up live and want to know and people are hear everything. Seriously, like be careful with it, yeah? Because we can easily imagine multiple scenarios where that could be fatal in so many ways, you know? Hello?
Yeah, man, you hear me?
Yeah, wagwan.
What a real mix up, dog. A long
Yes,
time
sir.
story still, but a real story, I don't know, fake thing, you see me?
Yeah.
Married now, after that happened, still find a better woman there for about 10 years, make a new family, buy a bigger house and bigger car.
See.
But boy, in my younger days, I got me, I tell about 10 years, I got charged. Used to do security work, man, and I tell him I come from work one night, brother. Find me. That time I'm married to a girl me have 4 pitney with. American girl.
American girl, I have 4 pitney with her.
4 pitney with her.
Yeah.
Meet the girl said she couldn't get pregnant. So I say, all right then. You see it, a real garden me can sow all the seed and nothing not gonna grow.
See.
They were there now for about 2 years and boom, one come. And after the first one come, every year a 1, 2, 3 till reach up a 4.
Damn.
I mean, as a little hustler still, I try to do my thing for provide for my family. Because American people may realize them different from we artists. We work for a living. The more handout, the more wait for the government. And I just say a story that's still. Let me cut to it.
Right.
Come home from work one night, brother. Like, but I work and she called me and she said, hey, babe, what time you getting off? I'm not thinking I'm here, but I gotta know something I come off to 7 o'clock in the morning. I was she call me for. So something already ringing on my head, say, yo, something right.
Yeah.
And you know, as a man, woman get intuition, we have a gut feeling.
Yeah.
And I feel it, say, yo, something right.
Yeah.
My supervisor fee post, so youth where I work, second in charge, me tell him, say, yo, brother, you hear me? I got an emergency at home, I gotta go.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna go on my one. Boom, bang. Reach a yard. Soon as I open the door and push the door open,
Yeah.
you can't push back the door close.
Yeah.
Someone, I'm here a nigga voice. What the fuck?
Yeah.
So them time now I'm back up off the door about a good 3
Yeah, well, just for the algorithm, you know, we know what you mean, but just for the algorithm, don't use the N word, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, go on, yeah.
Yeah, so I'm back up off the door now about 3 step, take 2 step back forward to it and kick that blouse and skirt wide open.
You see?
You see me? So I'm kick it wide open, where guys like, I'm putting them each have them one room and thing. You see me?
Yeah.
I one in front, I do a butt naked dog.
One man?
No, my girl, my
Your
ex-wife.
girl?
Yeah, my ex-wife them time there.
Well on. Them time that she was your wife?
Yeah, them time
Okay,
they
right.
were still married.
Right. So you see her totally naked?
butt naked, Raga. Butt
Yeah.
naked.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
Only thing cover our scalp because here the punny. I'm not tell them one.
Yeah. So the only thing cover our head, and that's because everything else beer, yeah.
So me I say, yo, why go on there, sir? She I say,
Yeah.
oh babe, I was waiting for you to come home. You see me? And I say, "That's all right."
Oh yeah. The same person who she never expect for come home them time there, yeah.
Exactly, cause she already called and asked what time I come off and she don't know say at 7 o'clock in the morning. Me I work a graveyard shift. From
Yeah.
11 in the night to 7 in the morning. 1
Yeah.
o'clock in the morning, yeah, call her, ask me what time I come home. So
Yeah.
from me get that call, me I say, yo, no man, somebody did listen to your phone call and she try to prove a point. That's why me go so boom now and cut and reach at the crib. Now me reach at the crib, me open the door. As soon as me I push the door open, somebody slam the door closed. So me step off and kick it up.
Yes,
You see me?
yeah.
So me kick it up now, me find it stand up in front of the door, naked. You see me? Oh, are you me I wait upon? Yeah, wait upon me. You know, so me I come off 7 o'clock in the morning. This after 2. And you and I also want to think of I head because I hear the upon it. You see me? So me I said, no man. Yo, when I'm a blood, BC clot house. You see me? When nobody not there, and me I go in the kids' room, them and me I walk up and down every rag and go up in the attic and come back down with the blouse and skirt AR and me I say, yo, who in the house?
Well on. With the AR?
With the Raga. Cause me I say, yo, for somebody in my house, I lay down that somebody there, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that somebody they forget him, man.
For those of you who don't know, AR is the AR-15. It's a semi-automatic rifle. It's very powerful and yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
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 So now I say, yo, you hear me?
Yeah.
Anybody in the house, them forget it, man. Cause right now I violate my privacy, plus me have 3 daughters and 1 son. In the same house. You see me?
Right.
So that's why first thing I do, boom, I check my daughter them room, everything good up, them asleep. Youth asleep. I she alone and right there. Next thing me have a pit bull in the backyard. Me the pit bull like a crazy dog. And me have him chain up still cause boy can jump. Me jump all over a 6-foot gate. So because of that, me have a clothesline and me run back there. When she don't want to put the thing them in the dryer, she hang them out on the clothesline and we keep him chained on the clothesline so him can roam the yard, but him can't really jump over a fence.
Right.
Yeah, man, in the backyard I got crazy daddy. So me I said, nah man, I go so boom now and go out the door and I not see nobody. So after I march through the whole house now and check every checkpoint that I can think of, I not see nobody. When I reach in my room door, my window, we never open because the AC stay on. Window wide open. Me have a little tree plant that grow up on the window. Tree plant knock over in a yard. You see me? So I know say somebody just splurge through the window, brother.
Right through the window and Lego, you know?
Window, brother. Yeah, brother, and it's like, me I say, nah, man, you have somebody in my house, man. Long story short, me just go on so loud and she get scared up and all the police show up and thing and police them say, I want to her. So me I explain to the police them, say, boy, I don't know want to her, no, but I came home and I could have swore I had a home invasion, but I had Shorty said she was trying to surprise me, which me know said she definitely surprised me because me just can't prove her what the surprise was, but somebody didn't in my house. So the man them say, all right, then since you don't find nobody and right there and them Lego, see me. She want to start a bunch of fight and argument. Me tell her, yo, you hear me? Me know the argument thing with you. So this is how me do. Tomorrow, me will get my youth them, and me will get my kids, and me I go forward. You see me? I mean, I already know she not no way to pay the bills. So boom now, next day rise up, call my job, tell them say, yo, me have certain family matters I have to deal with first and priority. You see me? Them say, all right, then do your thing. And give me 3 days for rectify my thing. Before the 3 days up, Raga. Come on, girl take a whole lot of clothes and I'm on yard. Because she used to work at a hotel and I go on an auntie yard and I say, yo, which part can you there? You see me, that's her name now. You see me, so now you get all the name. So I say, which part can you there? The auntie I said, boy, I believe Connie must have crossed the street over there, so, you know, over one of our friend them. No one tell me exactly which house. But me I work for a place named Ocean View, and me know what them curtain look like. So we go across the street and me I walk and I see all the Ocean View curtain in the people window. I saw the blouse and skirt. I know say them the people not ready for Ocean View. Check it out, man. That the money the girl is having on my house, man. I work with
What you say about the curtain? What you say about the curtain? How that go?
the curtain now company, it's same job site that me used to work from the Ocean View. Is a big resort right on the ocean.
Yeah.
I meet them night patrol officer.
Yeah.
And she was one of them who clean the hotel room and all them things that says like, why is she right there?
Yeah.
She take all towels and curtains and all kind of thing, and that's something I get to find out which man she did have in my house.
Oh.
Yeah,
So when you find out what she did and which man know, what happened after that?
go over the man. Yeah, man.
When you go over there for? But all right, you go over there.
3 days later, this thing, man. 3 days following, man.
Yeah.
And you know, as a man, general, when you feel like say, yo, somebody try you, and you know, say, you're a real man, you're not gonna linger for really, you see me, but you still want closure to your thing. You see me? So
but go on, talk.
Yeah, man. So even though me take me youth them and carry them go a boom and make them rest back with my father. I make sure I say, yeah, right now the mortgage at this place, a year place, cause me not feel right after that. Me know say somebody did in my house. Me don't know who did in my house, but me know say somebody in my house, and me know say I never me share with pan.
Right.
So off the top of my head, me know say, yo, you have a next man to do your thing, so. Me not go dig in I see him, me not go dig up in a no man garden. If I feel that the man garden, I can go and dig because you know we stay already. I only per garden we have to go and tend to. Yeah, man.
Yeah, so after that with the ocean man now, how it seal up.
Yeah, me see the curtain now, I'm go say boom bam and knock on the door. Do it up in the door. I call him name B because I know I'm put him name out there. So the boy be up in the door and I say, hey, what's up, Dread? Because you know them love call with Dread even when I have no locks.
No, call him Chumpy, the man. Just say same name Chumpy.
Yeah, so Chumpy, I say, yo, what's up, Dread?
Yeah.
And I say, yo, bro, it's like Connie in there. And she was, man, telling me straight up, Connie just left. I say, yo, somebody ask you this, yo. The other night when I come home, you jump out of my window. I say, what other night? I say, yo, Chumpy. Don't act like no idiot, brother.
Yeah.
2-9 saga, brother. I come home and somebody jump through my window.
Yeah.
And you know, if me see them the Ocean View curtain there in a year window, I know that she take from a hotel and me hook her up to get the job for clean the people them room. She had teeth out them curtain and them sheets.
I go around your Chumpy, I go around your grounds. Chumpy I going like him and grounds you out, yeah.
Then me feel that man. So I tell them say, yo, yeah, hear me? I can't know say, I have to see there, and since I have to see there, I have to she for stay. You see me? Don't worry about my youth them straight. Brother Chumpy going like a fight, him want to fight me, brother.
Chumpy going like him want to step to you, though?
Yeah, man. After I say that, yo, Chumpy support, like, close the door behind him and walk outside now in the open parking lot to me, then now, and I say, oh, what you trying to say? You gonna take our kids away from her? And I say, yo, fear pitney. I tell her this, man. And me take care of them. As far as me concerned, them don't need her, because them go to school at daytime. Them have after school care. You see me? And me have other people can tend to them, so you can just go and keep that the bucket there where you got, because that's how she really is to me at that time. Just a dumb bucket. You see me? Because I don't like she help paying on bills. I don't like she buy no school supplies. I don't think like she do them here. I mean, I feel pay somebody else to do them here. I'm not telling them like, oh, somebody school teacher them. A three of the care teacher them, I fuck raga. You see me? And I two of them I do my daughter them here. You see me? My daughter them go to school, them mother get my money, get her ear done, give her money sometimes to pay all the light bill. She pay half of the light bill. Use the next half go to hair and nails. When she already get money for the hair and nails. And my kids them go to school and them come home, hair freshly done. You see me? Because I school teacher themselves I do it for me, because them realize say, yo, you hear me? I'm on work and I'm doing best for take care
of
them.
So hold on, how many of the daycare woman them you did that joke?
Honestly?
Yeah.
I 3 of them did that prayer and 2 of them stab up already.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Jamaican type people, I mean, so you did a do road tour, you did have a bunch of women out there with her, right?
But I remember we are man, you know. You see me? if you read about all of the prophet, them, you know, my brother.
No. Wait, yeah, before we go down this something. But what me I say is, if we were to talk, if we were to talk to her, and I said, no, the dog said you violate, you bring money in the pie or whatever. Be honest now, give it that you did at the road, not one, not two, you did have several women out there where you are joke. Not only have several women, you know, remember, you know, if we have a job, she, you know, about I bring man in your house or whatever.
Well, God, this thing,
Hold on, man, no, we are reason, man, we are reason. You I jump up in a woman belly who she I interact with, who I take care of food and picnic, right? So me I say, if we ask she, you know, and say, B, oh, you didn't know if him a go on with anything and thing. What you think she would have said? Be honest now. What you think she would have said?
She just say, well, she always here, but she couldn't never prove nothing. And that she just say, she tell us straightforward, say, yeah, people always tell her, I said, me I do this and me I do that, but she couldn't prove nothing.
All right. But me know what you say about the proof. You think say, you think say your woman did know say, based on what you know, say you have several women out the road, and if you did have several women out the road, be honest, did that result in you a treat her a certain way where she, after a while, she just feel like, the man don't really care about me? Talk it true.
If you talk it true, no, man.
Yeah.
Because all that woman, them, when me I stab up, I make them know, say, yo, my family, they one. I'm married. You see me? So if we do a thing, it's no bond, no attachment, it's just sharing a moment. You see
but
me?
hold on. You think that she did happy with you?
Boy.
Be honest. You think that she did happy with you?
I mean, eventually, I can't say yes and I can't say no, because I can't really say, me don't know.
No, but your best guess in terms of, you know, when I 4 picnic together, she had 2 and whatever, based on how one did reach, oh, you are treat her, one did happy, were you having happy times, were you attentive to her, were you emotionally available to her and thing and whatever? Who you think she did more happy with, you or Chumpy?
Well, she tell me straight up, said Chumpy was like a little comforter more time because
because Chumpy see what go on, you know. And I keep it 100 with you. Again, when I excuse her for bring Chumpy in at the house, you know, she shouldn't do that. Even if she do her thing, she should have governed her thing and say, no, you know, say, me and him not 200 right now, but, you know, I mean, probably don't even love him right now, but you know, say, the man them did a thing, picnic them and all them something, the bills pay and all them something they so you can't come in at the house. If we're gonna do something, we have to do it outside. Not in at the house. Right? She should have governed that thing. But at the same time, in general, may I keep it 100 with you. We hear some things, traditional things, where we hear from Jamaican man all the while, where you kind of gloss over them and think it's not now. You have a kind of philosophical justification for it to say that, no, you know what we men are, and you know what the philosophy them say, and what the Bible say, and what the so and so, and this and that. Women have feelings to party. Women have feelings to, and they, you know, and I wouldn't be surprised if she was going through something there where she wasn't happy with you in terms of, you know, your role, because, you know, you have the kind of, by Jamaican standards, the kind of self-confident, assertive, when me say goes type of thing. You have that thing about you.
The two about Chumpy.
Yeah.
The two about Chumpy come from one of our friend and me stab up more time. And that are the reason why I'm even start stab up the friend more time, because the friend start telling me, say, yo, when she slide and say she go do somebody here and come back with money, a Chumpy put money in her pocket.
Well, what you mean? A Chumpy put money in a fear pocket?
Yeah, more time.
So when she says she gonna do ear, when she says she gonna do ear, whenever ear she do a Chumpy, I pull up her ear and I give her money and I send her back in door.
Yeah, me not tell you more.
A Chumpy, when she supposed to go and do ear and make money, Chumpy, I pull up her, Chumpy probably I'll grab her ear in her back and I send up and thing and whatever. Grab her ear and then give her money and say, all right, see your ear money and send her back. But well on, and her friend bust pan her door.
Her friend bust pan her door. Yo, General, man, I see how you take care of your family, I see how you take care of your kids and right there, and The friend rate me up certain way.
Well, and our friend, we boss partner, you a jump up in our friend belly too, don't? The friend a skin out for you, don't?
So me not tell a man after a friend tell me say, yo, she a jump on chumpy. Me I say, all right, then me I start jump on you. Yeah,
because
man.
you pick up, so when the friend come in for partner, get the friend want get in with you, don't?
Straightforward.
Ja, no.
Well, if I mix up, straightforward.
No, I levels to this thing, you know. No, Dad, I levels to this thing, you know. Me tell people, say, yo, me have a much degree. And most of my degree, they're about studying people. And when me learn from Mixup, my degree not come close to them. And Mixup teach you how people really stay, you know.
That's true, man.
Ja,
I really talk. You never know nothing.
The friend come make you know what going on, and I say, dog, when she gonna do here and a year, she gonna do a chumpy, I pull up her ear. Yeah, and well, I all this come here, so I put it, well, I make my block somebody, so somebody I come and put number in and this thing, I straight block to this as somebody. All right, then, cool. I look somebody and come when I want to come clown out my page, you know. So them stay, you know, when them see the strength, you know, so them come in, you know. Yeah, man, them get a fat black man. Jano. So when so you did that, the friend wasn't one of the babysitter them where you did that deal with?
No, man, the friend was too hard, like a best friend, like them grew up and got school together and thing, and it just when the friend meet me and the friend realize, say, oh, I move different, cause as American, them not really used to a hard man until me coming at the place, and you see me, them notice and know, say, yeah, we're different from them. We have a different mindset.
No, well, I'm going to ask you something. I'm a spirit. I tell me something I can't ask you from your energy. Big man, when I say, all right, then say, yeah, do your thing. You know, think it would have better if who you juggle with on the side, have no affiliation with your wife, with your woman, the mother of your 4 children. I think it would have better that way there.
Well, boy, honestly, I feel like yeah, it's perfect how it go down. Because I said it to play out.
No, but you know, feel say that is a disrespect for her, because all of the women them who you tell you say you joke on the side and whatever are people who share deal with our best friend, the picking them teacher, the picking them daycare, this and that. Are people who share talk up to. So you're grind off crazy woman out there who your wife have you deal with one-on-one.
I want to tell you real talk, say yo. You see, when I teach them, I saw me get all my first house from our own grandmother. You see me? And
I saw you get your what?
My first house.
What you mean? Explain.
All right. The same house I'm going to find all chumpy I climb through the window.
Yeah.
When I teach them, grandmother rent me the house. She put me on a rent-to-own program.
Rent-to-own program?
Yeah. Pay rent for 6 months. She'll save my rent money and give it to the bank as collateral for me down payment. And then we can get the deed for say, yo, you hear me, I buy the house.
And I saw you put your family in it, no?
I saw me put my family in it. And the reason why I should do that, because me as a working man, me sure you see them time that me I work graveyard shift. Yeah, me still also during the day because security jobs can't pay no rent and buy food and everything else.
Yeah.
So you have to find more ways to make your money.
So
it's like, this girl never once dropped my daughter them at school, you know. 2 cars me having them. You see me? I buy 1 for her, and I have a truck for myself. And Raga, I may I drop off for youth them a morning time. After me come from work, before me go take me nap. And I may I
Hold on. So after you work the graveyard shift all night and come in, you buy a car for your woman, but are you still have to carry them go school?
You man lay down in my bed and I want to sleep till 10 o'clock a morning time. Yeah, man.
Hold on. She workless.
Them not tell her, man. Woman not work, woman not do nothing, man. Woman want put on paperwork, so not even me not work, just so she can live off our government. She
what?
Want put on paperwork, say she not married and she not do nothing for herself, just so she can get food stamp for her and youth them to buy food. You see me? I saw the mindset.
Oh, okay. No, based from what you tell me now, because I can't tell you a whole heap of woman the day you talked before, and I said, John, you know, said a man and dirty man. But based on some things where you tell me right now, but I always tell people, say, listen, Yeah, I know what you're saying, your actions are gonna command respect, Yes or no, your action. And based on what you say about her, look like say she did a command or respect to make you say, John, you know, say, I rape my baby mother, I rape my wife and thing and whatever. My girl, boom, bam, bam, bim, and you look like a you, and you say a you cook and a you do most of everything, even the domestic stuff and them, some of that.
Let me not show you, man. Raga, all when our mother lose for our place. Our mother, our brother, and our stepfather.
Yeah.
Whole three of them moving in my house, and none of them now work. You see me? And me see him when I work, and all the mother I get government assistance to buy food, and she sell all for her food stamp and use the money buy her beer, and then still eat up all my kids' snack. You see me?
Well, and she sell for food assistance money, and I use the money buy beer and I eat up the snacks them what you buy for your kids them and them.
You see me, as a grandparent, you see it. It's like the principal where I run the school, because it was a private school. It's like the lady realized, say, yo, you hear me, this man always drop off them kids them. She can looking at me and tell, say, yo, me just wake up when me come pick them up at afternoon time. And she know say a night time work. Because me I drop them off, daycare open 6 o'clock. But me work about 30 minutes from the crib. And me I drop them off from my way I got work, so she always see me in my uniform. And I me see him when I come pick them up. And so she look at me and she tell me, say, yo, man, you don't need a bigger crib because them time there's a 2-bedroom. She say, yo, I have 3 houses. One of them is a 4-bedroom. My mother dead and left it give me, and you're a good man. I see that you mean your family well. She didn't even help me. She put me in there because I fear her one. She put me in there, yo. You see me? Until this chick bring in our mother and stepfather and everything, and then next thing you know it, them never did that one night, and I tell them to get the car and find Chumpy jump through my window.
So hold on. So after that woman they know see what go on and she say, you pick up the pitney them and drop off the pitney them, on the work or from work and them something there. And she come with a proposal and say, listen, you can rent to one and so and so and so. Progressive, whatever, because we see you have your family and whatever. And after you bring your woman and your 4 pitney in at the house, where that woman they get for you, the one who you jump up in a fear belly too. But after you bring your
granddaughter belly, me I jump up in her.
Oh, our granddaughter belly, I jump up. May I say, after you bring your family in there now, your woman on top of that bring in fear mother and who else?
Fear mother, stepfather and brother in there.
Stepfather and brother in at the house and thing, and none of them now work.
None of them now work.
And you carry everything in there.
Me I carry everything.
So well, but all you said she said she gonna do here. So she not also too. She not do look at something too.
Then that me used to believe. Me used to believe. Say yo, okay. But me show you from jump off, say she didn't even do my fear one daughter them here.
She don't even do you wanna pick the year. She not do them here. You have to pay people for do your daughter here them all the while. You look at pick them here.
Yeah, when me don't pay people, them I come home from school with them here done. Because the woman put me in the house for our granddaughter do them here. Or one of the next teacher would do them here. You see me? That's why I start playing with them now, because I realize, yo, them care about my youth, them. You see me?
Oh, so that's why you get involved with them, because them are really a contributor and thing with respect to your children. I mean, because thus far, we have heard things where people could have listened to the eye and say, John, we know so that man you violate when it comes to him, woman, but we have also heard commentary from you consistently where say, no care what you do, you prioritize your pitney them and make sure say, even if you have to get a body house, because you can't say you get a body house, you can't, no, some people don't like when you reason everything, but because people big and serious, You can't say, the dog out there did a beat so and so. But that woman there who him did a beat and a jump up, whatever, him get a house and him put him family in it and put him pitney them in it. And then the one chumpy come in there and then I jump up in the woman belly and gone through the window and whatever and this and that. And then one chumpy one come warrior back after that and thing and whatever. And chumpy should have governed him thing, The one chumpy should have said, yeah man, we're going to do so, but no, in your house with your picnic them dead and all them thing them man. Me could go out. You see? But chumpy net. John no. Me not agree with that thing the way you listen to me, America this, Remember say you have your picnic them and live for, Listen to Mass Raga now. You see, if that ever reach you again, the banner pick up no gun, boy, you go shoot no bunner, man. Here?
Raga, me I tell you.
You have your family.
Truth
Yeah,
matter.
what?
Me I tell you the truth, I matter. How me feel. Because at that moment, it's not even about thought. It's about just natural reaction.
Emotions, you have to control that something there.
For one, me have security, you know. So I'm come on with me 9 piece for me hip, you know.
Me know.
Me have
well, all right. No, all right. So
in my mind now, Raga, this is how me I play it out. How me I go up in the attic, me I think how me I play it out, you know.
Yeah.
I go up here, me I take this thing down, me I go hold it on her, me I go give her my little piece off from waist, and me I make she done him, and then me I go done her. And tell him, say, yo, I them done each other. Yeah, man, wipe her fingerprint and put somebody else on it. That's how me feel. And that me did I think. Because I'm hurt. Because I feel like say me a sacrifice.
Hold on. You did a think out all of that?
Yeah, Raga, me I tell her. Why me I go in the attic, well, this a play. Yo, me even not think about it. It's a play in my mind like it's a movie me I watch. Yeah, man.
But what I'm saying is that thing that what did I play out in your mind, right? You just say what motivated it. You hurt, right? When you say hurt, that is emotion. Emotion, right? That is pain. So I'm saying in retrospect now, when you look back on that, right? If you did carry through with that, would it be worth it outside of emotion?
It wouldn't be worth it because
it wouldn't be worth it.
The more that carry with me.
No, we're not talking about guilt. I said, would it be worth it? What would you have accomplished if you did get rid of them?
I two less nasty nigga.
It would have been revenge.
Less nasty person them would have about, cause at the end of the day, you know, after that happened, I tell you, for me take my youth them and move out, you know. All police she carry come on my father yard. Cause I end up living back with my father for about 3 years before I met my current wife. So we married now for 10 years now. You see me? Cause my youth them big now in a university and thing. You see me? But after that happened, she never have nothing to do with them the picnic there, you know. A family court thing end up in a cause our police, she said, I'm gonna tell the police, yo, you can't take my youth them out of my house, cause for one, she ain't working to provide for them. I said, for two, y'all ain't got no legal jurisdiction over this. These are my biological child. You have to bring me got children and family and make a judge decide. And I said the judge decide and claim her an unfit mother. You see me? Right now, between me and you, she owe me over $250,000 in child support for all 4 kids, but me never collect $1 from her, me never pursue it yet. Because them kids let me raise them by myself until my current wife come through and start help me with them. Yeah, man, I'm a father. I did a lean pan, man, and she come and say, yo, stand up on your foot again, cause me sure I'm a truth. And she say, yeah, all right, you know a real pain, me know a real pain. So from this, we build, you see me?
Listen to me. There's room there for we beat you and get by your case, but there's also room there in terms of your consistency. In terms of the way you prioritize your children, I'll fight for them too and determine, say, no, we want to come in here. We are beat you with the other things too, because we keep it 100 over here. Raga, you talk to, because you know who you talk to. But at the same time, no, that's something the way you take responsibility and say, oh, no, take my pitney, I'm going to raise my pitney, and you go through tough times, and, 4 pitney and foreign and all them, something that anybody who go through with them know, and not pretty that a security work you do, and we just want to commend you for that part there, say, right through. Yeah, it's all about your pitney them, and to the point where you start juggling with some other woman, or even your wife, have 10 years, you explain to her, say, she, part of the reason why you go so boom and juggle with she is that she think about your youth them too. You understand? So the two want to build together in terms of looking out for the youth them and all them things there. John,
right now I'm a crane me I look for by. You see me, my current wife, she's a RN, she's a registered nurse. When I meet her, she's a LPN, cause after the whole thing go down, it kinda stabilized me in a way. I'm not telling no lie. Cause when me feel how me feel for no say, yo, John should bring somebody in the house general where it's like if your house general, your house.
Just shouldn't do that. Just shouldn't do that.
Some of my mind I think yo like the house. And after that, brother.
Just shouldn't bring Chumpy in there.
Yeah man. I said I go to boom man and cut man, and may I tell you the truth, man. Once I cut, not even the school teacher them me not thump up no more, man, because of how me feel within myself. You see me?
Okay. You just Lego them, and you said that make you kind of balance out your thing and say, you know what, we need to pre different, and thing, and govern my thing on a different level and thing.
From that point there, honestly, like, that's when wholeheartedly my focus upon my youth them. Cause to me, I know every woman say I'd stay the same. You have good and you have bad. But when you get the bad, brother, the bad really teach you if you appreciate the good. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
John.
Like day and night. Yeah, man.
No, I tell people that all the while on the show, yeah. I say, yo, I don't like bad, you know, but the only reason why I don't know what is good is because bad exists. You understand? So, yeah.
Yeah, man. So, I know I have a real queen right now, cause no woman not gonna take up a man with 4 pitney. You see me? I say, yo, you hear me? All right, now the court say you have full custody of them. I give you all of my money and you put with your money and we get somewhere and we raise them together. You see me?
Damn.
May I tell her, man, she have a son before me meet her. Her son a 3-year-old and me alone him know as a father. You see me? And that girl never wants to leave the house and buy something for her son, where she not come back with something for you. Whole 5 pitney them at the same time.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Well, 10 years, you know, together, I'm you know, probably I state the obvious now and whatever, but yeah, 10 years, you know, have anything set, you know, but I still have to say, do right by her, you know, all right? I always have her back here because it sound like she stand up with you. It sound like she firm up with you, you know, so make sure you always have her back, you know?
Me used to security, Raga, and she tell me, say, that yard, right now, a crane me running now. Me I prefer to buy my own crane for run my
Your
own
own crane, right.
You see me? And all because of the values that she instilled on me. And that's why I thank the most I even for the moment when I come to and find punchy or whatever we want.
Chumpy.
Yeah, man, me thank the most I for the moment when I come to and find chumpy in the crib.
Chumpy, no, while then jump through the window,
Yeah. My thing wanna set right now. You see me? It's like it show me value. You see me? And me appreciate the ex-wife same way. Cause she show me, yo, you can have somebody where nasty where you're willing to sacrifice and do everything for, and then we still dog you out. So when you get somebody who loyal to your thing, and nothing else but loyalty can come to them, brother. For real, man.
See it there. See it. Which state? No, we don't need which state. But you tell me about it. I'm just curious. The AR-50. Which state?
Well, that happened in Florida. No, me have it with me after in Texas.
All right. No, say nothing more. That's fine. Okay, cool. Because we just want to know which state you know you're allowed to have up here. Big sitting, you see.
Florida and Texas, man. I go and state them, man.
No, Florida, Georgia, and Texas, man. Proper open carry fully. Anything or anything. Right? Anything or anything, you know? Yeah, with them state there and things. So, just say, hear what I say. On behalf of everybody who are listening over here, cause we're like a family over here, the TamFamers, you know, we're like a family over here. I just want to say, me not perfect. I can't tell you that. Me not perfect. Nobody not perfect. Right? And myself, I have figure up qualities. Everybody who in this, some people in the chat and go and like them perfect. Nobody not perfect, yeah. And you not perfect. But you see, as one of we come out of our little Gideon down from our little rock there, Jamaica, and you're there. And with your good and with your not so good and thing and whatever, and your consistency with your children, you know, and thing, and you yourself learn from your choices and the consequences from some choices where you make, and you adjust and you adapt from those, and you make better choices and thing in terms of your partner and thing like that. But on behalf of everybody over here, I want to commend you upon your growth. Right? We want to commend you upon your growth and the way you strive for better, because you keep it 100 with about some things where you do and whatever. You know, and we hear, and we just want to see, we see a development and an evolution to better, right? And we hear the ambition, and we hear you say, oh, the woman instill a kind of thing in you where you know, you want to improve yourself and you want to buy your own a crane right now and you know, build together, and you see how she stand up with you, and because of that you want to make sure so you stand up with her and do right by her, because, you know, in terms of the holistic picture with your children. No, I want to big you up for your growth and your development. You hear, sir?
Full on
Yeah,
them, man.
want
Much
commend you,
appreciated.
man. From one Jamaican to another, from we are most of we are Jamaican and Caribbean people over here. We want some respect to the eye, man. And we love how you hold it for your youth, them. You
Much
understand? We love how you hold it for your youth, them, man. Big up yourself, man. You all right? See, and respect and thanks for share today, yeah. Cause you give us some spiritual, cultural food and all kind of little thing for a ruminate about and meds about and compare to our own life and say, boy, I have to give thanks because so and so and so. You know what I say?
Yeah,
And
man.
thing, respect for that contribution there. You hear me, Jay?
Yeah, man. Learning pain, man. Growing pain.
It goes some man, all right? Protection, my brother. All right. Well, but you know what happened to Chumpy? What did happen to Chumpy?
Why Chumpy come out and go on like I fight him one fight still, man, until I go so boom, man, and say, yo, I'm not fight, man.
Oh, yeah.
You thump this not in your face, point blank.
You,
And
you,
just
you,
quiet on himself, man. But
yeah,
me
wait,
just
wait,
want
wait,
to know,
what did he
say,
tell
just
Chumpy, say? What did he tell him, say?
Me not fight, man. Me thump rifle in him face, point blank.
Mm.
And I just him quiet himself, man. But I that give me my closure, because I just want to know, say, really and truly, I that go down the night. And I said, I walk out and left it in.
Last thing me I leave you with, though. Remember, you know, you see when me there at Jamaica, me get my license firearm. And then me did them among some man who carry license firearm for a long time. And me go through that whole thing, now the whole of them say, all right, you see like how you walk with gun now. First, you have to go learn to walk away. That's the first thing them tell me. You have to go learn to walk away. Yeah. And them said to me, you may think it's easy to walk away when you're not in the middle of the thing. And I said, right now, if we ask you if you're going to walk away, you're going to say you're going to walk away. But him said the real test is when a disrespect reach you or a violation reach you or them say a fear reach you. Where you have to think fast and just know, say, yeah, the easy thing to you is to pop off and rinse and empty something in a somebody or whatever. Him say, and them say, no, once you juggle with gun, you know, you have to learn to walk with. Never you pull your gun unless you are going to definitely use it, and you must avoid pulling it.
The principle you just share,
yeah.
me apply, man. I me apply and I do
yes,
last confrontation with Chumpy. Because I tell him come out and I say, yo, yeah, she just left, she went to the store, she'll be right back. What's up?
Oh, I'm run up him mouth and I kick off him mouth and I go on down.
Yeah, man. Then I show you, man.
And you could have kick off him face and butt him up there so I put two in him knee or something down.
I know what's in a raga.
Yeah.
Me just push it down right behind me in my belt, you know.
Yeah.
My shirt over that, you know. And I tell him, say, yo, bro, I ain't with all this hype you with, bro.
Yeah.
I ain't come for no confrontation. I just want to know where the chick there. You see me? No,
yeah.
I know this where she at. This where she at, cause straightforward, me
good.
No fight, man, brother. Me
good. Good.
Blank. And just walk off left him, man.
Good,
good. When me tell him that, man, me sure say she make him know, say, yo, you hear me? Him not leave him thing them. You see me?
Yeah.
So you know when me tell him, yo, me thump this in your face point blank. You know exactly what me mean.
Right.
I say him quiet down, man, and me just boogie and left them be, man. All right, now them leaving there together. You see me?
Right now what?
Them leaving there. Them broke up about months after that.
Months after that?
Yeah, man.
Chumpy and she broke up down.
Yeah, man. And when
so
she say, yo, I'm not on her again, at them the time that she send the police them to my father's house now, say, I just may have her pitney them on me kidnap pitney and this and that and right there.
See there, make Chumpy body turn her in a idiot.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. All right, my general, big up yourself. You hear, sir?
Yeah, man. Respect.
All the best to you and your family and thing, you see it? All right?
Yeah, man. Highly blessed, Raga.
Protection, cool.
All right.
People, when they hear me say it all the while, you know, well, when they hear me, I say, there goes Raga again. Like Raga, we're tired of that story or whatever. I want to know, so enough time when me I say it to me, you know, I just reinforce a thing that to all myself to, you know, that thing about speak it into being and whatever. I'm serious, you know, people. Not only with this, you know, but, you know, broadly speaking, you know. Me have a woman, you know, I could love her, whatever love means. I love her, or me and her a juggle and thing. And if me come home, you know, man, And me see a man, you know, with a wood 5 times the size of my wood, you know. I set up in her, you know, and arrange her internal organs, you know, in a position where she never give me yet, you know. And she make sounds where me never make she make yet, you know. And she ball out, I said, this is the best body me ever get, and me come home and me see her upon it, you know. Me not doing her anything. Me not doing him anything. As long as I don't force him, I force himself upon her and whatever, different thing that me gonna move to him. But from she I do it, me not do that. He go and people, I see the dog, I send it up in her belly and she say, the best body this me ever have. Ragga body no sweet, so. Ragga body no sweet like that body here. Ragga idiot to them look pia, look a Santa Claus body and whatever. See the real body. Me I take time, lock back the door. And me going to the kitchen. And me I get a big jug. And me I go make some lemonade for them because them I go tired when them done because good work I go on in there. Them I go thirsty. And I go and make them a nice juice. You know, me I put water, me I go put it on a tray for them to serve them properly. And me now take out the plastic cup, them I take out the glass, them. I might take out the glass, them and whatever. I might cut up some little lemon on the side in case some people like a little lemon in them water. You never know, okay? All right, so I'm going to cut up a little lemon on the side and whatever. And I'm going to splash a lemon in your water also. And then I'm going to make lemonade for them and all them things. Then I'm going to put it down and wait. And when cocky stop chew and girl stop ball out and thing and whatever, I'm going to take up it tray dutifully with napkins and all them thing and bring it. And I'm going to say, boss, you're going good, you know. Because girl did I make up be nice under your wood, you know. Big up yourself, man. You're going with yourself, man. You must tired. See some lemonade here. And if it's my house, I'm not going to... You don't know at my house, you know, you have to go now, yeah? If him don't want to leave my house now, a different thing that. Right? Me have to kick off him face or slap him with a piece of iron or something. But outside of that, nothing over the woman. Nothing over the woman. Men. And what do you mean walk past one house near which part me there, you know, when I'm one man I meet there's somewhere where I walk, me not tell him. But I meet up on a Jamaican one and whatever. We walk on a reason and they must say, you don't know that house there? I say, whatever, and they must say, they the one that them used to do with something. I say, you don't know that man there? I say, yeah man, and a man that used to do so in the street. And yeah, them say, yeah man, you don't know, say, I him buy the house and put him wife in it and thing and him come out of prison and him never know, she never know say him come out of prison and him come and see a man a jump up in her belly, man. And dirty two of them, man. Fool them up. Me not kill no, me not analyze nobody over them, no woman over them front. I hear that thing that. And the best way to not do something like that, to make a bad choice like that, is to proactively prepare yourself for something, if something like that. And it don't have to be that only. It's anything that will like emotionally trigger you to say like, this is the ultimate disrespect. So it needs to be resolved in a violent manner, right? First, me know me have a temper too, so me have to control that. It's your responsibility, you know? And we have the opportunity to learn from what we see other people go through. That's what intelligent people do. People who are unintelligent, them see the thing play out over and over. Them watch Snap, them watch movie, them watch, you know, true crime, this and that and whatever. And then when them find themselves in the same position, them go do the same thing, them with them people that they get through. That's not wise, that's not intelligent. You're not applying your knowledge. Some of us want to big up your brethren there and thing. When you come up, I want Chumpy come up. This is a fictional Trumpy, okay? Who suggested that we use the name Chumpy there? Whoever did that, you know, that was anyway, right? So what may I say is when the hypothetical Chumpy come out, you know, and you may say in there, you know, Chumpy have the mother and 4 picnic them in there and I come and I style him up and thing like that or whatever. And you see him say him just clutch and thing and Chumpy I bad him up, you know, because Chumpy hype, you know. Because Chumpy in that zone, you know, like, how you deal with? I mean, if your girl know, Bill, right? And them vibe the Chumpy depend, you know. And yeah, a different body rule, you know. Understand yourself, little boy. Right? That's so Chumpy a go on, you know. And for him just say, yo, I'm gonna fight man, you know. Just easy. That is it. You see, all when him turn and walk, you know, you have some man who say, that's right, bitch. Yeah, you walk away. You know, them will talk up them something. You see, all when them say that, ignore them, man. Just walk and go on. And this apply to women too. Because now for we go on like say a man alone and do the thing. Work it not for snap and all them something there and them program the name Deadly Woman and all them something there and thing. The wickedness what women do, you know, is not publicized nowhere near as much as what men do, you know. Not only that, most of the wickedness what women do very often is against another woman. Right? You can't disagree with me, but when I think me observe, you know, I drop back and observe something, I say, yo, you know, say, you have some woman out there just wicked to woman, you know, you have some woman where I just see a man and like him and just hate the woman who him there with him and the woman don't even know her or nothing, you know, and just start want wish the worst for her, you know much time I see them something there. You know much time I see them something there, people. Enough man no want joke a next man woman, you know, but you see when him see the man, him be like, no, whatever, and him kind of cool or whatever. You have some woman, you know, the amount of time I see a woman just develop some evilness for a woman, you know, just because them like the woman, man, you know, and the woman don't even do them nothing or whatever, you know, much time I see them sitting there, right? So it goes for woman too. It goes for women too. Control on yourself, man. I want to not control on yourself under them with them emotional triggers there and things like that. It's going to be difficult. And by society standards, it's going to be demeaning. They're going to style you up. They're going to talk up all kind of things and you have to learn to walk away. Worse if you have access to some lethal weapon. Right? Worse if you have access to a machine. At that time, you know, say, if you walk away, no make nobody drown out, it's not worth it. Right? And for whatever it's worth, they will do you want, they will love who you want love. When you're in it, you can ask whose pum pum is this and enjoy it, whatever, this and that. But ultimately, nobody don't want nobody. Don't make marriage fool, you know? Don't make people's particular interpretation of the Bible fool you, and this is particularly to men with the patriarchy through biblical interpretation has convinced so many of you men that once you marry a woman and you're there with a woman and she's happy for you own her, you don't own nobody. You don't own no woman and your worst don't own them front. It's fear front. She do what she want to do with it. If she choose not to do so and so with it while she with you, then give thanks. But if she do it and thing and you get a bun, take a blood clot bun under your ass. But I go kill no woman and all them something and feel so you're justified in doing it. Well, we give thanks to the brethren testimony, you know. I mean, like how it never gloss over and packaged neatly, you know, for it to be politically correct and just, you know, digestible in certain way, you know. Like him just keep it 100 and just tell you fully what I go on, you know, including what we disagree with, what we agree with, and whatever. So that is what, fancy academic term, that is when you say that is textured, right? It's not one-dimensional. It's not unidimensional, right? It's not just like a flat narrative. It has all the ups and downs that usually occur in life. You understand? Give us something to think about. Yeah. This calls for a Bailey sipping moment and thing, all right? Okay. All who not follow me now. I'm Jamaican. I'm from the Caribbean. We eat with ice. Leave me alone. Mama bird, allow me, let me eat my ice, all right? All right. Catch you right. All who watch the show, if you're not follow me and follow me right now. If you're not follow Miss Cherry Wash Belly, me, Ragashanti, me, the person who I watch the show right now. If you're not follow me and follow me now. All right? If you're not following me yet, follow me now. Dream Chaser, you beard for a morning. Just a check, Just a check, beard, Mama Bird, you beard? Angie, what you know about my sugar? Angie, what you be about my sugar eye? Angie, what you know about my sugar eye? What you know about my Angie? About my sugar eye? Angie, come dilute me. Yeah. Yeah, Angie, come dilute me, yeah. Yeah, come get rid of some of my sugar, Angie. Watch it right. People do remember, say, in about 50 minutes, this show when transferred over to the sub-live. Outer order sub-live. Outer order sub-live. So we're going to a subscribers only live because usually on Friday we have a full show. We now have one tomorrow, so I make sure some do at least one after today's show phone, all right? And again, it named Outer Order Sub-Live. Not all of the sub-live them going to be outer order. Some of them going to be when I'm traveling or, me just dip on the road, But this is one of them going to be an outer order sub-live. And it is where we're going to talk about, it's going to be an adult sex entertainment talk format. Again, it's not for everybody because it's raw, unadulterated, in your face. And as usual, nothing on things so know what's going on out there in the world. I want to hear the something of them on a shock. And sometimes we're talking about people in emotionally triggering situation. Somehow when you get shocked, when you start to attack the source and forget say, hey, you have a choice. You either stay there or you just go quietly. Okay? Some of us are telling her from now because I'm used to this. People think that they know what they're getting into, and then when they're mirrored, they're like, oh my God, this is so appalling. This is disgusting. I can't believe he's doing this and whatever. All right? Some of us are no. So it's raw, and people just talk about them things. And we're going to play some things where, as usual, from Outer Order Classics, and we're going to take calls. And we're going to have one of our people call in, and she's going to share some things when they need to think about when on a swiping, right? Because some of them don't know how to swipe properly. And again, swiping is not for everybody, all right? Or for some people doing it, they don't want to talk about it publicly. That's all right. So if it's not for you, don't listen it. But if it's for you and you want a few pointers, and so perhaps you could come into the sub live and get a few pointers about, how to improve your head game. We're going to ask Queen to explain some of them things. I don't see Queen. I wonder if she's there. But as she if explain some of the things, I can, Cookie Monstrous and some other people who, who have emerged as secure leaders on these subject matters and things like that. Cause enough of the things on the head game good and thing and whatever, and your head game is seriously wanting, okay? Doing it is not just good enough, You should strive to improve, Oh, pal, wagwan. Oh, pal, I wonder what your head game is like, or if you even do it at all. Because I'm not going to assume that I know whether or not you do it, Opal. People, Opal is my friend for decades, so don't get it twisted, okay? But Opal, I wonder what your head game is like if you're good like that. Some people you can just know that them head game is good. Some people you just can't tell. The ones that are really good, they usually you can't tell them are the quiet one, them when I really show it, And then others you can just tell say them head game not good. For example, it's a squeaky head game not good. Squeaky head game not good. Marcia Goodas, fear head game not good, Nikki head game not good. You just know. Angie, who you say the Angie Melly, fear head game not good. Fear head game not good. Fear head game not good at yeah. Whoopal say hers is on point. No, my Marcia Goodas head game pop down. You can't tell. Let me see who else me can. Cookie Monstrous. No, Cookie Monstrous, I can't say Cookie Monstrous like head game on point, like up there. Marsha good as your head game no good. The spirit tell me. The spirit tell me. All right. The spirit tell me say your head game no good. All right. Ruth, the head game is just below average. I can't tell. Kalia head game no good at all. No good. Yeah. Kalia miss mother. Yeah, Ed. Lover girl. Verdict is out. I don't know. Tammy Star girl. Verdict is Tav, awful. Tav, awful. Useless. Like, is that like Tav head game for ban and dash way? Yeah, for dash that for dash way. That for the dash way bush. Waste of time. Let me see who else me can. Mama Bird. I fear when I go up, I don't really know Mama Bird, but Mama Bird, I go up, let me see who else. Tal, Walkless. I don't want them more full of chat. Walkless. Fear head game now, go. Back up. Back up head game no good, but she a go think it good. The people who think it good and whatever will bite out your clot or whatever. Fear head game no good. You just know the fear. And we could go on and think. Daniel, I just get the feeling that Daniel head game now is kind of one of them. You have some head game, they're elegant. That's Daniel. Daniel's head game is elegant. And I know Daniel is just, Daniel say I laugh right now. I said that dirty man, yeah, I see man. Daniel was like, what's wrong with him? All right. Let me see who else I can. Cookie Mans, I said, if it's elegant, it's not good. No, Cookie Mans, that man, I can't tell you that. No. Cookie Monstrous. You have some women, them kind of stocious with them thing. But them head game on point. And yeah, the one them who's tortious and it's just like, yeah, Dally house, and you make them do them thing from what I have read. Okay? From what I have read. Anything I'm telling you here is from extensive reading and applied research and thing. But let me tell you something. You have some woman with some elegant head game. They'll creep upon you, man. they'll look simple and thing. But you see when them apply and all them something there, when them are cover so. And you think say just cover the amount of things we are going under that they cover there and whatever you end up a trim and them now move, when them cover you, and make all of the tongue they start the so and so from what I have read and think. Yeah, you be careful. You have some elegant head games out there, man. If you're not careful, they'll take your soul. They'll own you. Big up the people them who are subscribers. One the people them people wanna start subscribe. Remember, something I going on with TikTok right now where you can gift subscription, but you can subscribe yourself. Someone wanna subscribe right now. You know, when we get in at the sub live, all right? When we get in at the sub live. I want to big up the ladies them who should I say this in the sub live still, you know, but just by virtue of introduction. I want to big up the ladies them who, and I guess the man them too, when you're not on the head game, when you not do it like a task, it's not like you not do the person a favor, but you enjoy it on yourself too, man. Yeah, man, big up them people, man. All right? No, you have the soul snatchers them, you know. Yo, one of the things that I read, you see the people who are good at this thing, I have heard and I have read that, you see, when them snatch your soul, them have a snatch your soul look with them gear, you know. Like, yeah, them have a snatch your soul look. Like, yeah, I just took your soul. I know I just did, right? I don't know what the look is, but apparently, you know, them will do it, and when them done, and when you're convoluted and you twist up and you do your thing and whatever, and when them finish, you have this kind of victorious, triumphant, I just snatched your soul look with them gear when them done, them just like, I'm guessing, you know, I'm guessing this thing. You know? All right. Is it Ava or Ava? So Raga play too much. I never play too much. I love playing. If you know me, playing is my thing, right? A day don't pass and I don't play. Raga, you sound like Kavi with her friend, Secret Keeper, with the what I... No, man, with Kavi, it's the girl. Right? Get it right. With Kavi is the girl. Kavi have this girl who always tell her stuff, you know, where she go through her thing, you know. The girl. Right? That is with Kavi. All right. So we could see we take some more call before we go in at the sub live. So people subscribe, right? And I want to subscribe anyway for support my channel, okay? Subscribe. I'm a reader, man. Leave me alone. So subscribe. Bonnie, Raga, you snatch souls to me? I don't know how to do those things. Okay, I don't know how to do those things. That's why I just commend the people who are really good at these things to the point where they're so good that they're written about. And that is how I end up reading about them. You know, that's the only reason why I know, you know. All right, then. Okay, here we go. All right, here we go. Hello. Well, I guess she didn't. Opal. You know what you know about my lips, you know, Opal? Oh, I don't know what you know about my lips. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Reggae, you not
Hello?
hear me?
Oh, I just say you know me, I almost take you down.
Oh,
Wow.
big up Ragashanti from Backyard. Dead.
See it there? See it
Right there.
there.
So, remember me what do the hairstyle on the stage? Tamara hairstyle screen. I'm gonna do the hairstyle. I'm gonna win the competition.
People, I used to have Mixup and Blenda at a place called
Boy,
Backyard on Constant Spring. They were legendary, and I come up with all these fun stuff for people to do and thing. And one of them was, what me they call her one day again?
Well, me no remember you the guitar name, but me can't remember. But Raga, where the all these time I search you up on TikTok. Raga, you should have mash up this now, Raga. You start this now, Raga.
Yeah, me
And
no
you
man.
start all of them something here before all of them TikTok and go with them something that you are the boss for this, you know.
You see, we give
And
thanks,
you
you know.
fight you out all pan radio station all over everywhere you go, them a fight. And look how they go now. Look how that show now.
You see it, and we're
Look
there
how it
now.
show out now.
And then can't touch me, though.
Why? Me go
No,
stop when me
man.
come on. Me go stop time. I gotta be a stop, man. You alone can make the thing work too, you know.
No, man. Hey, you see anybody come here and say backyard, hey, them that people are foundation,
Reggae,
come
me fi
from a
tell
Raga
you,
supporter. Anybody come and say
Tambourine,
backyard days, because I this how it started, you know, people.
right there, so.
This how it start. People know about the radio show, them in all of Jamaica know about the radio, but you see, from people say backyard, but yo, we did have a thing at backyard. It never planned. It just come out that way
It
with the
just come
people.
out and me I tell you say it's sell
We know,
out.
well, I know is either you get cheer or you get cheer.
Yeah.
So if you do good, you get CHEER. But if you pop down, the people them get up and start wave them cheer.
But think of the Kisha call your style, me the bus pan this
Yeah.
long time.
Yeah, man.
Long time.
People them time them a bus. It's all about competition, you know. The famous one was Bossa Beard. You have to go up on stage and beard somebody. And then we did have screaming orgasm. You remember that?
Right.
We did have underwater daggering. We did have the ear style one and thing. And we did have box down. Would have box down, the woman box down man. And every boxer man get a grand and
Well, I'm
thing.
glad my Friday, Raga. We have Virgo on 14th of September, my birthday.
I lie.
Yes, Raga, Virgo people to the world.
That's right. You know.
And Virgo people run the world. We full up all over.
Hold on. Which sign are the best sign there is? Which sign is the best sign?
Virgo.
Of course. Okay.
Virgo.
Ping. You got the correct answer. You got the correct answer.
Are the only human being on the Zodiac sign. The rest of them are be a fowl, dog, lion, fish, all that something. We rule the earth.
Well, you know, say that is a good point.
Are the only human being. You see everything a fear come animal and will
A true man. All the dirty scorpion them don't.
The only human being on the Zodiac. We run the place.
We are the only you. No, for real, no, for
I
respect.
know say Scorpio people of the Virgo are the two sign them alone look alike on the Zodiac sign. Go check it out. The two sign
what?
them the only two sign them look alike. So people, if you want a good man, if you're a Scorpio, take a Virgo woman. If you're a Virgo, take a Scorpio man.
No, hold on right now. So hold on. You just open a can of worm because you don't know what me over here say all this time. You know.
A Virgo will be.
Me know, man, but you don't know, say me there over time, you know, me there with about 4 different Scorpio women. Let me tell you something. The horniest sign by far are the Scorpio people. Them.
If you tell you, I'm afraid of such a stay. She ever want to do it.
They can't get enough, the Scorpio them. They cannot get enough.
Yeah, get enough.
And then the problem with them now, when them don't get them thing, they will fight you and body you up and beat you up for your start out and all them
And
thing.
then now when we Virgo woman, they will a Scorpio man, we Virgo cannot get enough of the Scorpio.
Oh, I saw it go?
Yeah, we can't get enough. The Scorpio man with the venue when I Scorpio, I sting up the Virgo man, we can't get enough.
What you know about Aries them? All them still.
I don't know about Aries.
Yeah, you don't know nothing about Aries. But me know.
I don't know the last part if I follow me up.
What?
The last part of the month, if I follow me up.
Always I follow you.
All of the bird
Yeah.
and Leo.
No, the Leo people them terrible. I be aware me and the Leo. I'm doing aware me and the Leo.
Can't agree. Me not like the Leo.
Be aware me and the Leo them have over here and whatever. The Leo people them terrible, man. Terrible set of people them, the Leo people them, man.
Right? But you know what, Virgo, when them not understand with Virgo people, we are all of the Zodiac sign them in a one, you know. You know that?
What do you mean?
We have Aries, we have Spices, we have Taurus, we have all of the Zodiac sign them in a one. We chance some to all the people them.
What you know about the Pisces then? What you know about the Pisces then?
The Spices them.
Pisces them.
The Spices them just love have sex. Them love do it raga. Them
Yeah,
love do.
them love it.
Them
Them love it.
can't
Them
keep
love it.
one person do. Them can't keep. Them
Wait, the
wild.
Pisces them can't keep
Yeah,
one
especially the man, them Jesus Christ, them wild bad. They would have them one personal woman still, no, but them after them just can't get enough.
No, I find that the Pisces woman them do. If are you, are you.
All
Right
right, the
true.
Spice, yeah, the woman them is
Yeah,
like
if
that.
are you,
But
right
don't
true.
shug up them, because you shug up them, I'm sorry for you. Them always
Yeah.
have the pan chalk line though.
Oh, okay.
Them got always have the pan chalk line, so just stay upon the good line, because if you mess up, them done
All
with
right,
you.
all right. Well, I'm a Virgo, and you know, so I'm gonna defend the Virgo woman then. But honestly
Boy,
though, hold on, honestly though, the sign with the best sort out, Saggy.
Saggy nice. But
Saggy woman them have the
yeah,
best. Leo woman thinks that them sort out good enough, but
Virgo.
Leo woman them a be a bad up and thinks that a good sort
Around
out,
three
right?
sign, three ways of Virgo you have. You Virgo just all
Yeah.
remember that.
What you mean? What you
Three
mean? What?
different type of Virgo you have.
What you mean? What the three?
Different.
What's the three?
You
What's
know,
the three? What's
Virgo,
the
me
three?
nah lie, you have one of them wicked. When I say them wicked,
Yes, that are true.
them
That are true.
wicked and them nah no heart and them bad mind.
Cool, yeah,
Them
some cool, yeah, wicked Virgo
yeah,
woman out
them
there.
terrible.
Yeah.
Bad mind, let me tell you bad mind. I will bring you
Yeah.
down. And them love chat. They will sell you out. You have a set of Virgo space. So. Yeah.
God.
I have the next set. I go get a man. Trust me. You can't. They will keep secret till they're
No,
dead.
man. No. All Virgos are go-getter. They're natural entrepreneurs.
Yeah.
You know,
Not every one of them.
yeah.
Not everyone. Not everyone. The one that's why I'm telling you have three sides. I don't know about
man,
the third side, but
most
know
Virgo,
most.
me know, you know, them a go-getter, you know, them not sit down. Them go, they go get,
when
make it
I
happen.
work
You know.
with sick,
Yeah.
I will always think, why do I don't know if I stay so, but the only time I stop thinking when me asleep, you know, why the brain of you move so.
No, Virgos are cognitively oriented. Virgos are
tired
thinkers.
for think, man. I'm tired for think.
Virgos are thinkers, you know?
I am tired of thinking. I need a break.
No, you see, Virgos are thinkers in a general sense. Leos, they're schemers. Leos are schemers. Them always a scheme.
Bye.
Yeah.
And why is it we can predict things and that's how it go? Well, Virgo people always know things before it happen. It's like we write down what we are going to do and say, all right, we are going to go this so, and if we go this so, that I got, no, man, I not do this so, because if I go this so, that I got, why we always think that way there? We always do the maths in our head before the things physically happen.
The killer Miller, Leo woman love get swiped but don't like return the favor. That's not true, killer Miller. That's not true. Leo woman will return the favor. If are you. The problem is they will want to like, if you're not careful, a Leo woman will bite off your sitting. You understand? Because sometimes them just do too much.
Me only can't talk for Virgo still, you know. Me only that the Virgo the one. I said this to you.
What?
All right. I don't know if every Virgo is like this. During sex, right?
Yeah.
We don't like when time. All right. Anything we do, we don't like when time nobody asks no question. Just do it. The moment them ask the question, like you break my vibes.
No, that's the woman them.
No, me not like me when me I do my thing, don't ask me no question.
No,
like I said,
hold on, hold on.
Man, just start me run and give me the
Oh,
back
no,
man.
that different.
And like this, it feel good. No, sir, that's
no, that different.
Don't ask me no question.
No, but a Virgo will say, yeah, hear me right now. Skin out your good poo. No, a Virgo would have said, come right here and bring my good pum pum, come give me a no one. Virgo will keep up some effort, you know.
Yeah, man, we're creative, but we do things for the first and people think a long time.
Yo, nobody's more fun than Virgo. That me I tell you, if you know I'm bad mind thing, but Virgo's full of fun. Here, know that, okay?
When Virgo sees the coming, that them dead.
Them just dead.
We're hype
2 days.
2 days.
2 days and it starts. Because you know it started in August. 2 days. Virgo sees when Virgo season come, everybody happy. The whole on the good. Blessings are
For
follow on
real.
one thing. What you know? You understand? Anyway, big up yourself
All
in a
right.
boo-boo.
Big
I'm
up
glad you
yourself,
find me
brother.
here.
I
All right,
find
man.
you.
Protection, man.
Love you always.
Let me make sure some follow. I'm gonna do that
Yeah,
something.
yes, follow me, brother.
Let me make sure some. I'm gonna do this thing.
Just click on my name or something. I'm gonna Virgo baby my next page too. When you see it, you know so Virgo baby and me too.
Yeah, Virgo. Okay, all right then. Boom. All right, now follow you here. And people follow her
Thanks for
Tamara
the gift,
hairstylist.
people. Yes, I
Tamara
overview,
hairstyle.
but I don't oversee now. Yeah, Virgo, me then a Queens New York right now.
Then I did some of that too.
Yeah, but I
Yo,
Rockdale.
yo, a rat steal of that?
Yeah, Jamaica, yeah.
Well, you shop or
Raga, me there 1 year, me no getting a shop here. Just go
oh,
house call and him so me know me I go do one here right now too.
okay, people
People no go
follow
check
her.
out my thing,
Check out our thing and follow
call
her.
me. Yeah, come do house
Me there
call
near
and
you too, man. Me
everything.
there near, no worry. Yes. Oh, by the way, my party is the 20th of next month. Ragabash, my party, okay?
20th of next month, that
The
October.
20th. No,
Cause
the
me I go
20th.
Jamaica for my birthday in Raga.
No, the 20th of September. So if you're there at Jamaica, you're there at Jamaica. But
Me
the
I there
20th,
Jamaica,
you're
Raga.
going there at Jamaica. Don't worry yourself. It's all good. All right, good, good,
But me
good.
with that more show. Me that more show.
Now
Cause
say a
me
word,
got you
man.
know. Me got you know, my boy.
See the balance and things, seeing blessing, seeing.
All right, take care of yourself. Love
Yeah,
the
man.
people who go on the member and look, go check out my Ph.D. You know, see me hairstyle and mama do people. I am very nice.
Brap, 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 brap. All right, big up yourself.
Hey, take care of
Love your
yourself.
energy. Love your energy. All right,
Thank
cool.
you, Raga.
Yeah, man, cool. Some of Virgo ladies, I want to know vex still when I say about the Sagittarius woman, them, but this is just a qualified conclusion. Sagittarius woman thing them, I tell them, man, the Sagittarius woman, them thing na normal. Them thing na normal. Okay? Kimberly say, thanks for shouting out the Sagittarius ladies. Kimberly, that means all of them good, you know, because your sort out pop down. Kimberly, that means every Sagittarius woman sort out good, you know, Kimberly, because your one pop down. I bet you say your sort out pop down, Kimberly. You probably had one of them women there who I say like our Father before you go sort out, you know, our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy king. Which Leo woman hurt you? And I go, no, I've just had bad experiences with a whole bunch of Leo women. You know, I'm going to say something about we're not going to run in on it and stay with it. So, someone who no leg or nothing, so I can't tell you. Raga, me a Sagittarius, and I now ask Christ for sort out turn all the way up. Tell them you're a sexy rush. But Slim, I say, you can't handle it. Nah. I can't handle Leo woman. I can't. Yeah. No, the lion, them, you know. To angle Leo woman, you know, you sat down, whatever, and you feel like you wrestle with a lion. Like, seriously, who wants to do that? No. Oh, so tomorrow, just subscribe. Big up yourself tomorrow. Big up yourself. Right? Remember, we are going to the sub live in 25 minutes. We are going over into the sub live and thing and talk up something and thing. Right? Yeah. And ladies, when you come over in our sub live, you know, me come squeeze your legs them here, cause some things me I go on in night. You know, remember I said we bingo Tuesday. Hello.
Raga, good night.
What? Me your attitude in your voice before you, the way you said the good night. Me your attitude in your voice, but my brace can me your attitude in your voice. No, that good night they come out with a touch and like me ready for you now, Miss Man.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
What you come to say, Miss?
Yes, it's a
What?
Leo woman here.
Oh, it's a Leo. Hold
Yeah.
on. Wait, 1 second. 1 second.
Mm-hmm.
Almighty God, Heavenly
Yeah,
Father.
go and pray.
as I'm about to engage in a conversation with this lady, I
Yeah.
ask your guidance. I ask your protection, Lord. Guide me, protect me. Protect me
Yeah,
from
man.
the unpleasant influences. Protect me from their propensities to dominate, to domineer, and to overpower you and to overwhelm you. Protect your son. Protect Miss Cherry with wash bellies. These and other mercies I ask in your name. Amen.
Hallelujah.
Talk
Yeah.
where you're at now. Talk where you're
Yeah.
at now.
See, make careful pray. Pray
Uh-huh.
for coverance from the
Yes.
little woman.
Yes, because
Yeah.
I'm too terrible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
look, yeah, see Virgo man, ever since the Carter boy accusation with touching his stepdaughter, me no want no Virgo man.
Ever since what?
The Carter boy they that them accused of touching his stepdaughter. Me no want no Virgo man.
Well, lad, you know, so you carry the thing, God, in our realm where we're not there. You gone over in our realm
Me
where we're
no
not
want me when I never
No,
touch a Virgo man.
We over here joke back and forth, but we don't really.
He's I'm Virgo, you know, it's a Virgo.
I know, but
Okay,
we not.
then.
Just so you know, you see, we over here joke. You have people out there unalive. You have people out there, but we're not really over this. So here, that is something serious. If you follow, we are joke. We are run joke. So we're not really over this. So here.
All right, let me step far from Virgo man.
Yeah, we're not really, because every sign do extreme unpleasant things. Yeah. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind.
Just not Leo. Leo is genuine people.
No.
Yes, I've dated a Virgo before.
Yeah.
Miss Mela Bella. But not do Leo man so bad. Give us a chance. We're genuine. We're very genuine. We're very loving. We're very loyal. We're very freaky too.
No, Leo women are freaky.
Okay, then.
No, Leo women are freaky.
So you don't want that? You don't want that?
Yeah, freaky is good.
Okay.
Yeah, freaky is good. Yeah. Raga loves free. No, go too far though. Not go too far though.
Not go too far as what? We do every and anything.
I don't do every and anything.
What you afraid of? Is a woman.
No, yeah. Have you ever heard of my beading story?
Beading?
Yeah, beading.
No.
You don't know about the raga beading. Let me just give you an example.
No.
All right. Have you ever heard of my sprinkle story?
No.
You not hear about them then?
No.
All right. Let's just so you know, there's something. Yeah. Not every anything. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. One time I whisper to a woman, you're like, I'm gonna turn your freak up and there in her ears. And the little girl just did it, look at me like, and not pay me no mind or whatever. Yeah, and when story come to bump on me naked and thing and whatever, yeah, is she that? She said, hey, you see right now, even now if me I get look at work, you see anytime a woman said to me, wait, this a little bit, me soon come back. You know, so me get nervous. Yeah, man, I get nervous bad. Why? I have a situation where that happened. A woman go in the kitchen. My kitchen, you know. But she did have the things in her bag. Who walks around with an enamel? With not with the pot, but anyway. But she come out with an enamel pot. And have her hand in the pot. And I come so, but me notice her hand shine, but me never see why in her pot. Remember some naked up on the bed, because we did that whole thing before, And then I pat and thing. And then she go tell me, turn around. So of course me straighten up now, because you don't know it's a gangster not take no check around here, don't. So I said, turn around for what? What you gonna do? What And she said, just turn around, man. Now you say you want freaky, then when I go do freaky. So I said, no, what you do, my girl? She said, just lay down, man, and turn around, man. Turn over, go up on your belly, man, and whatever. So I get up off of the bed and stand up. And up to that time, the John still up, you know, the boy still up, you know. Because me and my instrument, we have conversations, you know. Right? So at that point, my instrument said to me, like, yo, bossy, this is not good. This is not good, you know? This is not good. You got to look out for me here, because sometimes you get a little bit whatever, you know? So beyond, so I'm saying, I got you. I got you. No worry, we're good. All right, so when we stand up now and think or whatever, and I saw me see the bead, them, you know, and at that time, I didn't even know what it was. But even though I didn't know what it was, I know that it could not be good.
She want to peg you. Okay.
No, it's not peg. That different. Peg is
Okay.
different. But there's something similar. Now, you know, and then somebody have to tell me, say, what you gonna do with that now? One black string of bead, you know, bead on it, but it like one. So I say, babe, what you gonna do with it? What you gonna do? Come out of my place. Come out of my place. Come out of my place. Leave right now. Leave right now. And she going like she want itch and whatever. I forget gangster pan her, man, and run her out of my place. And when I done, I tell my virgin, say, John, you know, it's like, get me have a close call. And them I say, you don't know about beading. And I say, nah. And them I say, nah. And when them do, them put it in, and apparently them get some satisfaction by just pulling it back up.
Yeah.
What,
So you didn't
what kind
want
of
to try it on
satisfaction?
her?
Anyway? Try my bumper clad.
On
Try
her.
what?
On
Try
her.
on who?
On
Then
her. You put the bees in a she.
No, you know, you may tell us that she want to try it for me. I tell me about turnover, man. And no worry yourself, turnover. No worry yourself. Well, leave my place and go about your business.
You should have told she turn over.
No, but you see, true, she catch me off guard. I took her. I never see her come. You understand? Remember me did I lead the whole time and I tell her about me. I go turn up my freak pan her and thing. And she say, then you say you want freaky, you know, want freaky. Turn over, boy. No, me don't take them check there. Me don't take them check there. Worst of pegging something there for you go there. So who forgot tell what else you go put there? So you must harass, man. Not happening. Not happening. Leave a place. Right away. Me don't even want to talk to you after that and thing. We're done. We're done over here. But me I listen to you, you know, and you see you with your, you know, freaky and you do everything and whatever. You're dangerous.
Yeah, you could have turned me around with the beads on them.
You'd already done.
Yeah.
Bad star.
Yep.
Yeah, you'd already for doing it, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's something they done. Someone on there,
Somebody said no backdoor shenanigans. Why not?
That's how you they done.
Me always.
Jeez and peace. Me don't know, man. I think I could have managed ya, boo. Could have managed ya. Cause let's see Raga run up in mouth, him afraid you're frig.
Yeah, me see, man. Yeah, me see.
Yeah. All hear Raga run up in mouth and go like he wicked, you know. Him afraid, man. Him afraid. Me can't. Me don't have to tell people, say, no, me can't manage them. Some of them, you know, boom, bam, 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 bim. You can't go on. Not me.
But you know what? Me not go as far as one touch man that way there, behind there.
Oh, okay.
No, me not into that.
Oh.
But I don't mind a little beating. Watch out.
Moving right along here.
Yes.
Moving right along. Yeah.
Anyway, me gone. Let me go and look and watch.
Big up yourself, Leo girl. Okay.
Yeah.
That's not, but hold on there. In a TamFam, you know, you say from in a TamFam, Raga defend you. Okay, your family.
Okay.
So anybody trouble you, call me like what Miss Cleo used to say. Okay, we'll fix them. All right, boo boo, love you, man. All right.
Yes, love you too, man.
Yeah, man.
Good night.
Blessings, man. Cool. All TamFamers, big up on yourself and know the things. Okay, people, we need enough for subscribe. Who not subscribe yet? I see several people subscribe. Nice, right? Nice. Browning. Raga, all you go on with you love Leos, you know. Listen, Raga just run up him out now. Raga really love Leo them. All right. Well, on. Bombard. Delicious. A long time when I hear from you, you know, Delicious. What you did there? Jan, Delicious. You just disappear from with stuff and what do you? All right, I'm going to take a couple calls. People, Who for subscribe now before we go over in the sub only live. In fact, you know, so after I take one more call and I go on a piece where we are going to discuss in the sub only live. I play a look at something phone here. Great. So we get our next subscriber there. Nice. Big up all who are subscribed to me. Big up on yourself and I want to make it happen over here, you know. Right? Everybody in here, big up on yourself, you know, but I keep it 100 with you know. You see, to the extent that me turn up here say every day and do show, even the regular broad show, you know, for thank the subscribers them. Let me say that again. All of you who like this show and what happens here and what we share, you know, for thank the subscribers them. Janice, I say why? Because it's them make me turn up and make this worthwhile. So I make you know. Queen Nash, big up yourself for that, right? Now keep it 100 with you know. It's them make anything where you see I go on over here are the subs them make it happen. Make it possible. Right? So Sonia there, love her to bits, you know, because she had the first person sub over here, okay? What am I saying? Why am I saying this? I just want to make it clear. You know this I mean about our people for gifts? And I might think that. You know this I mean do them match something over here? And I might think that. You notice I mean over here sell products and them something there? That is not my thing, and I might something there. You notice I mean do all of them something that people do on TikTok for make money and them something and whatever. That's not my thing. It was a conscious decision on my part to say if I'm gonna come over here, there has to be a business element to it. I have fun, but I'm an entrepreneur. So the woman was there who come and take me on, but why you having sub? It is not fair. Piss me off. But it is not fair. So I say, why it's not fair? What not fair about me having sub? Because we come over here for something in your content and thing, and now you have sub, and we can't hear what in the sub. So I say, but we have most of what we do over here, it's open to everybody, including you. So TikTok have a thing where tens of millions of people have subscription and thing and whatever. Why you have a problem with my one? No, because somebody said, but why you don't want to support me? She said, but I support you. I said, oh. She said, with the taps, them I'm going to put on the screen. Yeah. I mean, make sure you know, I said, B, we give thanks to your taps, yeah, and we give thanks to your follows, yeah, and things like that, whatever. But don't get it twisted, okay? We're grown people here, whatever. You know, see me, I do all of the other things that my people do, and I bother people for this and that. It subs me, do. I tell people, I keep it 100 with them. Yeah, and the subs them make me come and say, you know, so there's a potential here to build a business and have fun at the same time and provide a particular product for consumers, you, and things like that. Yeah. That's what it is. So that's why I must big up the sub them. So I'm going to say, I know everybody can sub. I know that, I get it. Some people want sub and them can't even go through and all them something. But I just tell you, thank the subs them. Were it not for the sub, then maybe I find something else. I'll be honest with you, I do whatever. Time is money. And thing, I mean, turn up every day, 4 or 5 hours every day. And I think, you know what? Yeah, I have 3 pitney where I have to wait name the fire, you know, okay? Some of us I say thank the sub them. Right? And I give respect to the sub them. And when I hear my all the way, I tell the sub them, say, yo, I want to make it possible, ultimately, yeah. Were it not for the subs, then I wouldn't be here, people. I'll be honest with you. Okay? And that potential is not even fulfilled yet. It's, you know, it's where I think it can go. All right, remember going a piece I want to go here in the sub live right now. And while you listen to this, you can, hold on, let me turn up this, you know. who not subscribe yet can subscribe. All right. Let me go on a piece of this. All right. Listen now.
And I'm saying that, but anyway, like I'm call video I mix up about this man and me know. Good up turban rapid Rasta man.
Yeah.
Raga, the man never brings fuck pussy argument to me yet.
Yeah. I'm just again reminding you this is raw and unadulterated. I'm just giving you. So for those of you who don't like raw language, you may want to remove yourself, temporarily and thing. I'm just giving people a look a preview of the type of content we deal with. So this is a recording from past Out of Order shows 14 years ago. This is from 14 years ago. But we also take calls and this is how we talk about them something. Yeah? Okay.
Never. So me never bring nothing like that to him.
Yeah.
And one night me tell him to buy me a bottle of liquor. Because anytime I go look for him, I have to get a bottle of liquor.
Yeah.
So I tell him to buy me a bottle of liquor and I come check him. And I go check him. When I know for the liquor, I got hear the dread. Just put the pussy on my face. Put the pussy in my mouth.
What you said, Rasta?
Yeah, I said I put the pussy in my mouth. Raga, my son idiot. I don't know what to do. I said, because me never ever think about that with him yet from me know him. Me and him never discuss them there something there. I hear what Raga them eat meat none at all. A pure vegetable him eat.
No, well, obviously him eat meat though.
Raga from that, me now go back. Raga. Every friend ask me why. Me say no, sir, me never enjoy it, Raga. Me frightened until me lay down.
Voila. So when him tell you put the part of it and whatever this, you did do it?
Then I must Raga.
So what you say? You never enjoy to eat?
No, because me so shocked out of my mind. Me say we
because you just never see him that way. That you just see him as a Rasta man and thing and them.
If me even if me and the man have something and me a cuss him, the man make the thing look like say me not supposed to bring no bomber clot and blood clot to him. You understand?
Oh.
And so the man make the thing set. So when him bring up this when him never bring it up, it just happen. Me friend him call no, me can't answer the phone.
Then,
and it's about a month or so ago. I don't know what she said to him.
But why? All right, so him never eat the pussy good?
Raga, I don't know what. The way how me shock me the pan, what this program.
So you sit down in him face and you in a shock and you don't know if the pussy I eat good?
Raga, him can't eat the pussy good because he hear the round him mouth and something. Man.
Oh, you say him can't eat it good because a whole heap of ear around him mouth?
I have a whole heap of ear. I got them man, they said no scissors, no comb,
Okay, so be a ear you did a feel on upon your leg and upon your front.
Ear on I enjoy. When the case climb off and face and go lay down, say alright, come and could do something else, cause I never enjoy that.
So you and him did have like regular sex that night there too?
Yeah man, I'm on him shell every time.
Right, yeah.
Every time. I one of the first man make me ever come like orgasm, like scream out like me, I'm a little girl.
Yeah.
Excitement.
But in your estimation, he might eat the pum long time, don't?
Of course, he might have the pussy before, but he must look like he must warm up to you first before. He's gonna help himself, man. The liquor take over the side there him, It's like the liquor take over the freaky side of him. Because some things when talk, I know me normally the man militant to them thing, but some things when talk rather me couldn't even say him. Me have to think if a somebody else that.
No, come on. Tell me some of my thing then when him say what shock you, man.
Do you not go on Raga and bring the come over here? You know what I mean about the pussy for you. And a long time I put my head in the pussy and you see the morning when he wake up, the man back to him militant thing, wrap up him head with him turban and piercings and talk about him business.
Yes, man. About Rastafari and cleanliness and don't engage in a slackness and and all
but
these
them, so enough of them in another type, them want to get freaky in a Raga and them want a woman to draw them out, but them don't know how to come out. Enough of them Rasta man there.
Boy, but you dry him out without any effort, man.
Mr. Raga, me and the man fuck over a year and I like to me and him just start. A long time.
And you never get no sign. Not only you not get no sign saying eat pussy, but everything when do kind of demonstrates saying probably burn it out, no?
him never kiss past my neighbor yet. And I like him want to kiss go near your leg and him never do that. Him never bring
I pussy long time, man, because
of
for
course,
him
go
tell you the first time. For him go say the first time him I tell you, the first time I tell you, you must come sit down in him face.
Right, rather than little man that try rub him tongue pan it that he want me sit down in him face.
That means I'm used to it. It sounds to me like if a man say come you couldn't enjoy him. Okay, all right.
No, sir, I couldn't enjoy him because I don't know what he said to. It's like, if me go freak you with a man, I want me and him start out that, like that.
Yeah.
Me don't want me and him go in and then you try to put this good up thing and then you turn at something else. So me don't know what he said to him because me don't know.
But some woman get excited with if them start and the man
say
some woman get excited. Some people get excited you start and the person them not do it and them not do it and whatever and then coax them in night and coax them. If you hear some woman talk, and say, oh, them man them love who say them not do it. Them man them love who say them will never suck. Whatever them I love, cause them man I love work, I love the challenge, man, and bring them round to it.
I don't like them man, Raga. You see me, you say if a man talk to me and if him say, me not eat, me no in no more talking. It's done.
It done.
We not have nothing more to talk about because me no know me I go be friend and me no want no more friend.
Yeah.
Because me I have nothing more.
But just with him, it just. Me understand where you're saying.
With him is a different thing. Me I go and give him the thing because me fuck him one time and it's hell.
Yeah.
So me say, alright, me no mind give him the pussy and I'm a man like say I'm a good up man and him alone.
Yeah.
So me I say, yeah, me one time I want a shelf, me go check him. But if me want deal with me thing pan a regular, I mean I fuck him pan a regular Raga cause that them man they have a sitting way. You can't make it too stretch out your thing and one side 2 months. That
see it there.
You can't run down them the cocky because them too much. But rather me I tell her the man shot me.
I saw it set
me
man.
And him say rough and him say no romance. You not understand.
But anyway.
The man deal with.
You see, now say a word here. Bless up yourself here.
Big up yourself, brother.
It goes so. So there you have it, a situation where a Rasta don't eat pork, but certainly eats porky. There's a difference. There are men who don't eat pork, but are nonetheless active consumers of porky. Right? Yeah. You know, I say big up all like Rasta them, and the Rasta them not like when people, you know, Jamaicans have a thing when them around joke, them love make fun of Rasta and thing, and the Rasta them not like that, you know, like them love to make Rasta the, you know, the butt of jokes. And a lot of the Rasta them don't like that, you know. But in terms of the contradictions also, we're well aware that a lot of the Rasta them, ladies, we men, when man attack, let me tell you one of the things no man attack about, like we amongst ourselves and thing. Like me not call woman name and tell people in the business what me and woman do, you know, but sometimes you run your virgin and thing. And one of the things we love, you know, we say, yo, dog, you ever juggle with a woman yet and thing and whatever, you go on, and anytime you see a woman go so boom and ease up and take out her scrunchie or whatever they want to call, anytime you see a woman put her ear in a one, you know, and wrap that the script, you know it's happy time. Yeah, man. Hey, we men, we love that. Anytime we are juggling with a woman, man, and for whatever reason, you see the woman goes a boom and just ease and look a bit and you see she start with the hair and put the hair and then do that twist something there. You know goods are going to get down to business, you know. You know goods are going to get down. Bigger part of the bald woman than the low ear woman, them who you don't know what we are talking about because you know no ear for put up in a one, but for, or as Jamaican woman would say, ketchup, right? Ketchup your ear, right? But those of you don't know, when you hear a Jamaican woman say, ketchup your ear, that is what them do. Just put it up in a one and thing, right? So bigger part of the woman, them, oh, you got game, You got game, but you're not here for put up in a one and put in a scrungy. But man, tell us that we men, yes, it's a rare, say that is a lovely sight. Yo, men joke about that all the time, and I say, yo, dog, you know from you and your lady are juggling, you know. And you see, and she go so boom and go put up all that the year there and thing and whatever. You're in good. Cause good about to get to work. She about to get to work. You understand? Yeah. Naturally say, yeah, we take off the wig. All of that too. But it yeah, that wig something they do, you know. Yeah, that wig something there, yeah. Yeah, you know, yeah, some women then take off them wig and the vibes that they and thing, you know, but in order for maintain the vibes and thing, yeah, some women not for take off, keep on the wig, yeah. Ladies, I wanna know too, I don't know, you know, like, remember, you know, sex is a mood thing, you know, so, you know, want nothing where, you know, so somehow, keep on the wig. Keep it on. Find some way to make it on, yeah. You know, and because listen, for some women, wigs complement the look. For some women, wigs transform them into somebody totally different. So if the wig is removed, it's somebody totally different that will result, you know? So, when I feel, oh, it's not spam. Yeah, so una feel una need to gauge and know how the thing set for know if a wig for come off. Again, we keep it 100 over here, okay? So my wig not for come off and thing. Oh, but I don't mean to contradict myself though. But that's another thing. I don't really get into this, but when I tell you what some of my brethren names, and it's my Jamaican brethren, them, you know. Yeah, man. Them love when them at work and thing and just I'll grab off all a woman wig, you know. I mean to them something. I can't tell you what I'm a brethren them who stay, so a theme thing that Tony Mataran, Richie Feelings and them into them something, you know. Yeah, when they get whatever, I'm just grab off a girl wig and just start scream and beat her with the wig and a joke. Them just live for them foolishness there, you know. But I feel them thing that, you know. They have some man love them something, they grab off a wig and just start going with one bag or something there. And the woman who them do it to them woman, they love them something there, you know. But you have some bossy woman, man, them you can't take off for them wig. All right? Let me see what I go on over here. So all right, who need for subscribe now, cause when we go over, the live I go turn off. When we go in at the sub only live, it I go turn off. The regular live I go turn off, right? And what, you know, and we are going now on space where language free up, people are going to speak freely and things like that, all right? So who want to sub for themselves right now, sub for yourself right now, all right? And do remember, if you're not a subscriber, TikTok will let you listen to the sub live for a minute, and then it's going to usher you out, okay? And I appreciate people being understanding about it, that we have subscribe over. It's the only income generating thing I do. You see me push. Big up the people who send them gifts. Thank you. But it's the only income generating thing that I push over here. So I appreciate people understanding. You know, if you're not a subscriber and you don't get to listen, I appreciate you, you know, understanding. Dre, big up yourself, you know. It takes a village. Big up yourself, you know. Delicious Raga. If and when the wig come off them and them ugly, it break the concentration. I wouldn't say I wouldn't use that you word, you know, I would just say that, you know, the wig can come off and it reveals a totally different person, and it's not the person you it's not the person you're attracted to, you know. You can just believe somebody else. You're like, who that woman here? Who you? No, Rini, you can come back. Rini, we have regular shows here, Mondays to Thursdays from 6 to 9, and most nights we go later, okay? And those are not sub shows, okay? Rini? So again, when you have, you know, with your mix up them and your story them, you can come back and share them. We have regular shows here, open shows, that are not just for subs, okay? Right, Rini? All right, everybody who are watch right now, if you're not follow me yet, follow me now. Me just wait for the people. Queen Nash, big up, right? Me just wait for the people who are sub. Who for sub. Let me see if anybody in there, so right? And now take one more call before we go over and I sub. And think one more call before we go over another sub. Who not follow me? And yeah, watch right and now follow me, all right?
Yeah, but then if your child put on fear and then you have strength to put on the next one. I'm playing, I tell you that. Put you first. Me put me first. Me not put my picnic in front of me. Me not put no young somebody will come side of me a Joshi. Only somebody there in front of me I gotta leave me. Nobody now come in front of me. Cause if me dead gone, Joshi have to live. And if anyone of me
Oh.
That's your way to sweet dreams. No Wi-Fi needed. No annoying ads. Free to download. Vita Mahjong. Trusted by 20 million users. Rated 4.9 stars.
Let's see how I go understand. We're going over in respect, you know, Juice Media.
Other cities that are basically not supportive of this policy. I hope I'm proved wrong. The other concern, of course, is that all of these soldiers and
Hello?
which are from the United States citizens' point of view, they're there to rescue them in times of trouble.
People, it look like a whole heap of people multitask with them something, man. Them do different things at the same time, and hello? Hello? Hello?
Sarah wants a headliner for the surgery. I suggested you.
All right, we're going over another sub right now. So who not subscribe yet? We're going over now. I just want to remind you again, we do a minimum of 2 sub shows a week. Usually on a Friday, we'll do a full subscribers only live. And then at sometime during the week, like after one of the shows, we will do another sub live like I'm doing right now. But because we're not doing a show tomorrow, you know, we did 2 sub lives after 2 shows this week. We did one Tuesday and we're doing one now, okay? All right. Puggins, darling, just know that Raga love you, okay? All right? Puggins, if anybody trouble you, you know, just come call me. Here, make me come deal with them case. All right, hear me, I say? All right, I know we are defending straight. All right, Puggy? All right, my Puggy? Lady P, big up yourself. You just subscribe, big up yourself. Yo, 580, man. I need one more subscription before we go in at the sub live only. Pretty one queen, remember you are going to do the swiping class today, you know, so you're going to make them teach them how to swipe properly, you know. Pretty one queen, we're going to get right into that when we're going, you know. Poogie darling dear, big up yourself, you know, Poogie. Shelly Cunningham large up. I need one more subscriber before we go over another sub live. One more subscriber. I ain't me. Oh, heart me before me leave. Heart me. Right? Everybody heart me before me leave, okay? You see that orange heart? So we get another sub there. You see that orange heart, sweet lips in the building. Large up yourself, man. You see that orange heart beside my picture. Not me where you see you so. You know, my pop down self, right? The picture. Just press that orange heart and follow it to heart me, okay? All right? And it will tell you what to do. Just, oh Lord, if somebody have a block, you know, when I freak, then come in a place, you know. Well, I make a block this fool, yeah. Wait, wait, let me wait, because I have to make sure I block the right person, you know. Ooh, this thing is moving fast. No. Okay, here we go. All right. All right, so it's beside my name. The heart is right beside Ragashanti, okay? Oh, so we're getting some more subs there. Very nice. Good, good, good. Yo, something happened on the subs. Them are coming now. Squeaky couldn't subscribe and him just subscribe. People, check if you can sub others now. Sweet lips, you're taking a shower and you're listening to me. So I'm in the shower with you. Sweet lips. A touch of breathe. Big up yourself. You just subscribe. Sweet lips said no, you can't sub nobody else. Okay. Oh, people, TikTok have a little problem. You can't sub nobody else right now, so them have to fix it. Squeaky, what did you do different? Because you say you couldn't get in for sub before and now you do it or whatever. Squeaky say you have to swipe. Now, Squeaky, you have to swipe to get the sub done. You Squeaky? Colleen says she's trying and damn, I'm good. She says she's in the shower too. Him put money upon him card. Oh. Colleen, Colleen says she's not getting through with her card. Colleen, make sure you're doing everything that you're supposed to do. Deeks, it won't allow, say reach daily limit. That's TikTok. TikTok needs to fix that, you know, because a lot of people who want to give other people sub, they're getting that prompt, which is right. Let me see something. Yeah. If we get 8 more subs, I'm going to go in now, you know, but if we get 8 more subs while we're doing the sub live, that was good. Raga, you awesome sauce. You're the only one who figured my name. Yeah, it's damn, I'm good. All right, here we go. Avlo, you're indeed early for the sub live today. Okay, I'm going over in the sub live now. Dita subscribe just now. But it was at 592 just now. So, Dita subscribe and it's still at 592. No, wait. The thing I like it to go around me, you know. TikTok, my rob me, you know. No, TikTok, I go low. 592 a while ago. Somebody just subscribe. Unless it did I check that person there before. All right. All right, people, me are going now. All who are try something else, all right? Raga, you need to get some sponsor and merch. Don't worry about merch or whatever. Sponsor me for work, man. If anybody have a business and you want to sponsor my show, send me a text, right? You know, Raga is a marketer. If anybody have a business and you want me to sponsor your business and you want to sponsor my show, Let me know what go on, all right? Send me a text at 516. Sexy Nisha, big up yourself. 516-500-0210. 516-500-0210. Again, if anybody have a business and you want, I have to be careful over here with this. I don't know why we take that. But me know if you do it, man. Just send me a text, man, all right? Choka Steph. But Choka Steph, I'm going into a subscribers only live right now. But Choka Steph, I'm here 6 p.m. to 9 p.m., sometimes later, Mondays to Thursday. Trucker Steph, I'm here 6 p.m. to 9 p.m., Mondays to Thursday. Don't wait for a notification. Just come straight to the Ragashanti page, okay? All right. Sonia, I wonder if Raga want to advertise my business. Sonia, your business, I think your company, the name of your company, isn't it Headers Incorporated? Hey, Sonia, it's your mystery boy at Boss Liberty Panya, Sonia. All right. And just before I go, people, my birthday party is thank you, Tav. My birthday party is on the 20th of next month, Saturday the 20th of September, Amazura. Okay, Saturday the 20th of September at Amazura. Saturday the 20th of September at Amazura. It's a grown and sexy affair, right? And we're going to dance and laugh and have so much fun. I just want to buy on the tickets and come on, okay? All right? All right. I'm going over now. We're going over into the sub only now, right? And we're going to improve our swiping skills for those of you who do it. You know, remember, this is Raga with the innocent mouth. Raga with the innocent mouth. I don't want an argument from none of you. We think we don't know what we don't know. We think we don't know what we don't know. Raga with the innocent mouth. Thank you. Poche. Hey, you have some name where I just Jamaican name them there, you know. Poche, one of them name there, you know. Can't go around Poche, you know. Yeah, all right. For those of you who did not subscribe, bless upon thing, I will soon on Monday. Right? I remember Mondays to Thursday, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m., sometimes later, all right? So for those of you who are not subscribers, all right, come here, go over and I think you know. Dudum.